ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಮೆಮೊ ಇದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಟೋ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಯಾರು ಯಾವ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಕುಟುಂಬಿನಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟೋ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 or 2 days ನೀವು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
बात कर लो।
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ಅವತ್ತಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮನೆದು ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆನೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎರಡು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ದು? ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಂಡ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ಲು.
Madam, court officer.
ಸರ್
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ 10:30 ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕರೀತಾರೆ
10th ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೊಂದೇ ಇದೆ.
ಎಸ್
ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ
ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಖಾಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳೋಣಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಫೋನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಫೋನು ಡೇಟಾ ಸಿಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಫೈಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಓಪನ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಕುಕ್ಕುಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅವಾಗ. ಇದು ಧಾರವಾಡದ್ದು ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ
ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, 12th ಡೇಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇಡಮ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಯಾವ್ದವ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು. ಹಾ ಹೌದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್.
SC ನಮಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದೇ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟು, ನಮ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನಗಂಟಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಇತ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಹೌದು.
ಯಾವಾಗ
ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅವತ್ತು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು.
ಅದು ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನಮಗೆ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ರಾಂಗ್ ಮೆಮೋ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಸಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇಂಗ್ ಮೆಮೋ ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಇದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೆ 3 ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ 11ಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, 12ಕ್ಕೆ ಡೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಅದು ಇವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದ್ ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆನೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸರ್ ಅದು
ಇರ್ಬೋದು
ನೋಡಿ.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. 5 SC ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಮೇಡಮ್ MCMF ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೇನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಹೇಗೆ?
ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ SC ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಮೇಡಮ್ MCMF ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಹೌದಾ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಪ್ಲಿಜಿಯಾ ಡೆತ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಅಡ್ಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಟ್ಯಾಗು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ನೆನ್ನೆನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲರ್ಕ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅದು 3.
Next week.
Pending.
ಇದೇನ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎರಡನೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಆಫ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತನಾ
To give the memo, it's okay, Andra. I'm in court at 17. I'm in 17. I need to leave for commercial court.
ಏನಂತ ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಮ್ ಯಾರು ಅದೇ ಇವರ ಅದೇ ಬೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಟ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು 23 ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ 11/3 ಡೇಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಡೇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ ಇದು ಹಾ ಅದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೆಮೊ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ನಾವು ವಿ ಅಸೈನ್ ದ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ದ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ 575 ಆರ್ಪಿ ಅದೇನೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ that yesterday your senior submitted no that you are not on that panel some other advocate they have not furnished the name of the counsel because date given matter it has to be listed tomorrow. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಯಾರು ಅವರು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ ನೋಡಿ ಅವರು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಫರ್ನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಾಳೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನ್ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ತಲೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ 6:15 ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಫೋನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ DRT ಸರ್ DRT ಆಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಏನು ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕರ್ಸಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಓಲ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಓಲ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅವ್ರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಟ್ ದಮ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮೆಮೊ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ನಿನ್ನೆ 11:06 ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಫೋನ್
Yes. That petition 7555/2026 matter is very urgency, my lord. Bank is hurrying to auction this both property, my lord.
No, when did you file the writ petition?
What, ma'am?
When did you file the writ petition?
On 2/3/2026, this month only, my
Why
lord.
it is not listed? It is not listed till now.
Not listed, madam. My lord,
Why it is not listed? Yes.
objection is also compliant, my lord.
Huh?
Office objection is also
Find out if office objections are complete, it will come, yes.
My lord,
Pending
matter
matter,
will
my
be
lord.
listed tomorrow itself only, my lord.
If it is complete, it will come, yes.
My lord, it's a pending matter. I'm the auction purchaser, my lord. The stay has been granted, my lord.
Comply again.
Here,
2024, my lords.
we'll see. 24 matters are
My lord,
coming,
so
all
only-
matters are coming,
they
not
are-
only your
he is
matter, no.
Suffering, my lord.
Please don't mention any pending matters, all pending matters in a seriatim are coming. I will not take up any matter out of the list, out of per turn, yes.
My lord, recall application, you had given date today actually.
This is tomorrow. Yes,
Tomorrow 2:30 at least.
no 2:30, tomorrow it will come in the list.
It's a matter pertaining to persons with disabilities act. The state had undertaken to frame a policy within 4 weeks, which means more than 3 months.
Monday, yes.
My lord, serial number 42, I am filing.
Wait for
My lord,
the,
one final hearing matter, my lord. The appellant is in a vegetative state since 10 years, my lord. We had moved this matter earlier also.
take that, whenever I'm taking up MFA matters, list that matter, yes.
My lady, 2021 matter, respondents had filed section 34 in commercial court. All the arguments are done. There is a suo motu stay on the judgment, saying that there is pendency in high court. My lord,
I didn't get you.
my lady, there is a section 34 was filed against an arbitral award. But the commercial court has put a suo motu stay on passing the judgment, saying that there is pendency in high court. My lord, in high court.
Yes, Monday, yes.
This is, I'm out of turn. Reason is, property has been targeted to theft and vandalism. My property is severely damaged. It is in the hands of the respondent bank now. Now, the early,
Writ petition is of which year?
2013, million.
2013,
I'm sorry, 23 million.
give it to the court officer, yes.
On Monday, Monday.
No, Monday, yes.
Monday, Monday.
It will come as per the convenience of the court, yes.
PDS matter, my lord, pending matter. My lord, since
Matter will come, old matters,
But
give it to
she's
the
not-
court
she's-
officer, I will not take up any matter.
But she is a woman, but under the.
We will look
My lord-
into,
my
now
lord,
with
she's
all
a-
these memos, the old matters are not
But at
coming,
least, my
it
lord,
will
first
come,
week,
it
any
will come.
first week or in.
Take it,
April.
court officer, call the,
Your
call
lordship,
the.
pending, my lord, it's a withdrawal memo.
Still, they will call.
But
so
another
that you can-
Your lordship, the memo, pending matter, your lordship, which has been last adjourned in the month of August. Since then, it has not come up and.
Call
we
the
are pre-
list.
But once.
with the-
If I tell something to one advocate, it applies to everyone, not everybody, the court will be telling the same, repeating the same thing, yes, call.
With the permission of my lords, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Just one mention, if I may make, my lords. My lords, this is a 2023 matter pertaining to the sugarcane control order, where there are two contesting parties. Now, because there is a powerful person in the other contesting party, there are equities being created on the ground. That is the urgency that I'm requesting if this matter could be
What are you
taken
doing
up.
from 23?
The matter has, we have been trying to push it. Even my colleague on the last occasion also attempted, but it has not been listed, my lords. It's not been listed.
We'll see, give it to the court officer.
But one public
If-
auction has been sought, my lord, Pasha, my lord. One public auction of my lord, the property has been sought.
It will
But
come.
the- my lord,
It will
now
come.
third party interest has been
If any
created.
matter is not listing, after complying with the objections, give it to the court officer. Court officer will find out and see that it is listed. Apart from that, no mentionings. Yes,
Page number 1, page wise adjournment, page number 2, serial number 6, page number 3, 7 to 11, page number 4, 12 to 15, page number 5, 16 to 20, page number 6, serial number 21 to 22.
Serial number 30
My lord, serial number 23, my lords.
20?
3, my lords. My lords, I've just gotten the NOC, my lords. I have to come on record. Maybe adjourned, my lords.
Have you informed the other
My
side?
lords, I have no means of communicating with them, my lords.
Then you have to wait till your matter reaches.
Please.
Then you can ask serial number.
That matter, I appear for respondent number 213.
Is this the one you said that
23, yes.
23, I am.
it has become infructuous?
Respondent number 213, my lords, both the matters,
Hmm.
23 and 23.1.
Hmm.
I represent respondent. No
Adjourned.
problem, my lords, it may be adjourned after 2 weeks, my lords.
Please.
That's a connected matter, 23.1 as well, manage of the petition.
This is the request of Lankam the petition. This is matters on 28th of April.
My lords,
Serial number.
My lords, second or third of April, my lords.
Once it is out of list, then you can't have a say.
My submission is only this, my lord.
Because I have so many matters.
Very recently,
I cannot take
also
up,
filed
I
with
cannot take
Kapala.
up on second, list this matter on 23rd of April, not before that. Yes, next.
Serial number 30, my lord. Serial number
Number?
30, my lord.
30 has not yet come.
Page number,
It has come, my lord.
page numbers 8, serial number 27 to 31.
Yes.
30, my lord. I have informed the other side, kindly be adjourned for 2 weeks, my lord.
Why?
The negotiation is going on with the bank, my lord. They are ready to clear the entire
Because they
amount.
undertook before this honorable court, they are going to pay the entire money. Pursuant to that, this honorable court grant interim order. I don't think so. They paid 1 rupee also in this matter.
Then why have you no objection?
No, I am not saying.
I am
no
not
objection. That
seeking
interim
for
order-
extension of interim order, my lord. Just 2 weeks it may be adjourned. They are negotiating with the
Sale
bank.
took
They are
place,
taking the
they are
DD
taking the
also. They'll pay them.
No, what is negotiation? So you should be pending forever before this.
No,
court.
my lord. They'll make the payment.
You should have, without matter before this court also you can negotiate. Is this matter on Tuesday? No further adjournment? Yes, next.
Serial number, page number 8, 9, serial number 32 to 35. Page number 10, serial number 36 to 39.
See, number 36, my lord, for the appellant, kindly attend next week, any date, my lord, sir.
This MFA also on the day when MFAs are taken up, give that date, that some Friday you give to all these MFAs.
Serial number 37, Mala. Serial number 37 for the appellant in this case. Just give me 1 minute.
This also,
Yes.
Page number 12,
even 38 also, give the date. Yes, next.
page number 11, serial number 40 to 45.
My lord, this is serial number 42. I am filing memo for withdrawal.
Take that.
The repetition has become infructuous.
A memo is filed stating that the writ petition has become infructuous. Memo is taken on record and the writ petition dismissed as infructuous. Yes, next.
Grateful.
Page number 12, serial number 46 to 52.
Serial number 52, Lordship's kind permission. Serial number 52, my lord. I seek 2 weeks accommodation. I have to file additional statement of objection. I have informed the other side also. I request for 2 weeks accommodation. Interim order may kindly be extended.
Lordship, I am appeared for respondent number 1, Lordship, in this matter. Lordship,
I have informed the other side.
last 3 years, there is an interim order passed with this court. Writ petition.
We will see when the matter reaches. Yes.
Serial number 50, my lord. My lord, serial number 50, 50.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, I am for the respondent.
Let him say what he wants to say.
But Senior has some personal inconvenience today. Kindly have next week, my lords.
Yes, has been dismissed. The dismissal order has been challenged before this honorable court. Interim order was 2023. Since then, 3 years they are enjoying the interim order in this
next week, my
matter.
lords.
This is matter on 24th, no further adjournments.
Interim
The
order.
cause list should indicate that interim order is extended till then, that day we will dispose it.
Yes, my lord.
Lord,
The
serial
alternative
number, may I mention? Serial number 49.
Yes.
Yet to receive instructions from the petitioner. I have informed the other side, my lords. Lordship may kindly have it.
Yeah, your other side might not have been objection, court has objection.
My lord, we are yet to receive. Yesterday we had
What
called.
are the instructions you receive in 23
So
matter?
there was essay filed, which we had challenged, my lord.
No,
We had-
whatever it is on the merits of it, the matter will be heard. And please don't ask old matters. I will not grant adjournments.
My lord, only 2 weeks, my lord. We'll seek
Only 2
instructions.
weeks. I'm not even going to adjourn it by a day. You're saying 2 weeks.
At least a week, my lord. Next, your lordship may kindly have
It
it
will
next.
come up on, it will come up on 24th, not 23rd. No further adjournment.
24th, my lord, 24th.
24th, no further adjournment.
Great.
Page number
This is 40?
49.
49.
51, I requested for an adjournment, my lord.
But I have not granted, please wait.
Yes.
Page number 30.
52,
Serial
Lordship.
number
Serial number 52. Council on record is unwell, Lordship. He has to travel from Chenpatna to here.
50?
52.
What happened?
Council on record is unwell. He has to travel from Chenpatna to Bangalore. He does it daily. He's not well.
Who appears for the respondent?
Lokesh
KV,
KV.
okay.
Wait.
They have.
Wait. I'll grant adjournment when the presence of the advocate. Yes.
Page number 13, serial number 53 to 58. Page number 14.
54 years. Serial number 54. Senior is in Chennai, DR80. When you have weeks.
Yesterday also you sought for adjournment on some ground.
No, yesterday the matter wasn't listed yesterday.
No, not about this. Yesterday also in one matter you asked for adjournment on the same ground.
Yesterday no matter was listed. Senior M.A. Rajendra.
We'll see when the matter reaches. Yes.
Page number 14, serial number 59 to 62, page number 15.
59, serial number 59, my lord.
Yes, 59.
A connected matter is posted on 8th of April, my lord.
List along with it on 8th of April.
Published.
No, all these final hearing MFA matters, that Friday you listed.
That is all MF.
Yeah, all
List
MFA
number
matters on Friday.
Yes. List number 2, page number 1, serial number 2, page number 2, serial number 3 to 6, page number 3, serial number 7 to 10, list 1 for dismissal, serial number 1.
Oh, this Dharwad bench matter I'll take.
Yes,
Dharwad bench.
Yes,
My
my
lord's
lord.
leave.
I appear, my lord, for the petitioner. my lord.
1 minute, what is that?
List number one, your
appear
lordship, I'm
for
sorry.
petitioner.
Serial number 20, my lord. Can I request my lord to have this matter on Monday, your lordship?
Why not today?
Today, file has been given now, my lord. That's the reason. It is not in order. It is not in conformity with the paper book filed before the court. I want to check it up and.
File a review and nothing is
Yes,
in,
I will
this is
check.
matter
Monday.
on, not Monday, this is matter on 21st. Yes, next.
Grateful.
My lords, on submission, my lords. Serial number 50, any date after 25th, my lords. Serial number 50,
Why you should, when everything is over now, why should we again go back?
my lords.
50?
Serial 50, my lords. Any date after 20.
50.
Yes, my lords.
Somebody has mentioned what
Yes,
happened to
now I
that?
have mentioned, my lords. 24th was given. Any date after 25th, my lords. Any date after 25th, my lords.
This is on 27th.
Grateful.
51 also, your lordship may kindly 2 weeks accommodation.
Yes, next.
Lords, in this,
Yes, page 1 for dismissal, the matter pertains to Dharwad bench.
my lords, your lordship are pleased to dispose of the writ petition on 9th February 26, my lords. And thereafter, my lords, along with this order, my lords, we communicated this to the petitioner therein, my lords. My
No,
lords,
that's what
on,
I'm not able to understand. If they have not if they have not complied with the order, again, what is why should you move the court?
my lords, now what they are saying is, my lords, your lordship may see the operative portion, my lords. There is a direction to the
Where is
respondent
the
shall provide.
counsel for the respondent?
It's
My
Vinayak
lords,
is
I
there.
appear
You
for the
appear?
petitioner, my lords. I appear for the
Yes.
petitioner.
Yes. Where is the order?
My lords, I seek for a week accommodation to file the statement of objection.
No question. And the matter was listed yesterday, where were you? Why you didn't represent?
My lords, there was some inconvenience. I was held up in some way. My lords, I'm really sorry, my lords.
This matter
Lords, I am
will
speaking
come
only,
up
my
as
lords.
this matter will come up as a first matter tomorrow at 10:30. You have to get instructions and I'm going to pass order.
Please.
Yes,
Please,
tomorrow.
please, ma'am.
Great.
No further time.
List number
Please.
1, Sri Rajesh Shekhar for petitioner, Archana Murthy for respondent.
For respondent number 1, first
The petitioner,
respondent.
my lords, we will file joint
Pass over
memo,
the matter.
short password, my lords.
Filing
We'll file
joint
joint
memo.
memo, my lords.
Memo is ready, parties has to be signed on this
You
memo.
seek adjournment. Why you are not ready by this time? Why should we pass over?
Only thing is parties has to be signed on this memo.
Huh?
Correction is there, my lord.
Correction
So that
and
is the reason.
What is that?
Some correction has been made in the joint memo. That is.
Pass over.
Serial number 2, Sanjay U. Prabhu.
In this case, my lord, party has taken the file from me, my lord, and on the last occasion, I could not be present, my lord. I apologize for that, my lord. I had some voice in problem. My lord, in this case, my lord, we are challenging DRT order, my lord. The proceedings, my lord, of the DRT, and presently I don't have the file also, that's the
So
reason.
that apart, against this cooperative bank, you can't file a writ petition.
Please, my lord.
So on that, we will dispose it of.
Please.
The present writ petition is filed, seeking the following prayer. In the light of the law laid down in that Vishwabharati's case, the writ petition against for respondent is not maintainable. Accordingly, the petition disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy. Petitioner shall have the benefit of section 14 of the Limitation Act. Yes, 3.
Serial number 3, Sri Rajshekar.
Filing memo for withdrawal, my lords.
Take that.
Liberty may be reserved to appropriate bench.
The memo is filed seeking to withdraw the writ petition with the liberty to avail the appropriate remedy. Accordingly, the petition, the memo is taken on account and the petition is dismissed. the liberty to avail the appropriate remedy, petitioner shall have the benefit of section 14 of the limitation.
My lords, liberty in that time consumed here, my lords.
That is what is section 14? Yes.
Cell number 4, Akasha Rao, Shweta Ravishankar.
Present the petitioner. Kindly see the submission made by the respondent on the last date of hearing. The outstanding was 63,15,000.
Where is, you said you're going to pay.
It's paid, my lord, it's paid. I'll just pass on this for the reference of this honorable court. I'll file it in the counter anyway, and just for the reference, I'm just passing it on.
What is that?
That the payment receipt, my lord, which has been, I've taken a DD and it's been paid before the bank. Now, my lord, when the.
Just it to the account by way of DD number so and so.
Please.
And the balance amount is 2,93,000.
Kindly see the submission, what they made on the last date of
Forget
hearing.
about their submission. You have to clear the amount.
My lord, my grievance is, whenever I go before the bank to pay the amount and close the bank loan account, they're coming with a new account saying there's a penal charge, there's a legal charge which is pending. Let them give me a final statement which
Go to the bank, I'll tell the bank.
I've gone to the bank, my lord.
Have any subsequent cause of action, you question it.
My lord, I've gone to the bank a couple of times on the last date of hearing. Even on the last date of hearing, on the same day, I approached the bank.
Bank is not properly calculating. There is some mistake, mathematical mistake on the calculation. That's not the jurisdiction of this court.
Please, let them provide me a final statement, madam. I'm ready to repay the amount.
To ask the bank.
Lord, I've approached the bank. They are not giving me the.
Where is this counsel?
I spoke to her in the morning. She had called me. She told let the matter be taken up next week, and she would give me a final statement. Is what she told.
So she won't even represent before the court. You are the representative.
No, sorry. I'm sorry, my lord. I didn't mean that, but.
No representation on behalf of the respondent. Counsel for the petition is present. The respondent bank shall furnish the entire statement of account to the petitioner, and also how the amount of rupees 2 lakh and odd, which is stated to be the balance, is arrived at. List this matter
Monday.
on 23rd of April. By the time, if by 21st of April, the bank shall furnish the details, and on 23rd April, the petitioner shall make his submissions, or else the court will be constrained to pass orders on the merits of it. Yes.
Great.
Remove from the caption dismissal. You want to have that? Give him that.
Please, I'll file it in the counter.
Give him that paper.
Sorry. Cell number 5.
For respondent in this, this does not complete the interim order passed when given by the honorable, and not made any payment after obtaining the interim order.
The writ petition is filed. Sing the following prayer. When this matter came up before a coordinate bench of this court on 14/2/2025, an interim order is granted. Condition to deposit of the
5 lakh.
The court has passed an order. Bank is directed not to precipitate the matter any further for a period of 4 weeks to enable the petitioner to deposit rupees 9,90,000 with the respondent bank within a period of 4 weeks from the date of the order. On the other hand, if 50% of the amount is deposited, the respondent bank is directed to redeliver the possession to the petitioner. Then counsel appearing for the petitioner, respondent bank submits that the order, interim order of this court is not complied with by the petitioner. This matter came up on 4/4/2025 before a coordinate bench of this court, and on that day there was no representation. Again, on 13/3/2026, this matter has come up before the court. Even on that day, there is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Hence, the matter is directed to be listed today under caption dismissal. Today also, there is no representation. Petitioner, having filed the writ petition and having obtained an interim order, had failed to comply with the interim order, and also not appearing before the court. It appears that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. Accordingly, dismissed for non-prosecution. Yes, next.
Abhinay Vaiti, for orders, serial number 6. Dilip M.
For the respondent bank. Yesterday the matter was listed.
Covered matter. Matter was heard. But
There's a property, my lord, Sri Krupa
Let's see
apartment.
the relief you're seeking and what is covered.
So just lay down few facts, my lord, before I take my lords to that
No, no,
relief.
let me understand the relief.
The relief is, my lord, the warrant of attachment of mobiles issued by the R1 with respect to my property.
Respondent cannot enforce the order dated 28th November 2006. Passed in OA. Please come to that order.
The order, my lord, should find at page 76,
72.
74, I think, 72, my lord.
72.
72, my lord.
You are a party to the OA. So, first defendant is who?
First defendant is the borrower. Borrower to the loan
So
application.
movables of the borrower are directed to be?
Yes.
Hmm. And who are you?
My lord, this borrower, my lord, had pledged, there's only one apartment in the third floor. He gives different number and pledges it to 4 different banks. The first bank, my lord, is the Srinidhi Sauharda Cooperative Bank. It initiates proceedings under the Surface Act, conducts a public auction. I purchase the property, the public auction. The landlords come and dispute. I pay them, the sale deed is executed by them also. After I purchase the property, 3 other banks, my lord, file 3 separate OAs before the DRT.
In respect to the very same property.
Same property with different numbers. The first OA which comes to be filed, my lord, is by the
No, no,
Oriental.
you are in that Sauhardra Bank or what
Yes, ma'am.
you are
Srinidhi
saying.
Sauharda Sahakari Bank. Niyamita.
So, when was the property mortgaged to that bank?
14/10/2001.
1410
2001.
to your bank?
No,
Yes,
to my bank, the property was mortgaged on 7/12/1998.
What was mortgaged, my lord, was not this flat. I'll just clarify that also.
No.
What was mortgaged was not this flat. I just said, my lord, as I said, my lord, in third floor there's only one flat.
No,
This flat-
admittedly, there is one.
I'll just clarify, my lord.
Yes.
This flat, my lord, was specifically BR number 302.
302.
302.
Hmm.
This was mortgaged, my lord, as I said, to the Srinidhi Bank. That contained, my lord, they initiated proceedings under the Surface Act. 14 and Section 14 order was issued on 9/7/2004. Auction was conducted. Sale deed was executed on 3/8/2004. After I purchased 2004. After I purchased the property, my lord, the first proceedings that are initiated is by the Oriental Bank of Commerce. They, my lord, they obtain ex parte order with respect to the same property. I am not included. I file a writ petition before my lords. That my lord's order, my lords would
No,
find.
no, next, which is the next bank?
Next is my lord Andhra Bank.
What
They
happened?
initiate, the Oriental Bank's OA number is 214/2004, my lord.
Hmm.
Andhra Bank initiates OA, the second my lord is the second respondent now, the first respondent now. OA 128/05.
12805.
8/05.
That is Andhra Bank.
The Western Union, the present R1, my lord.
What is that bank?
United Western Bank. Now IDBI has taken over from it.
ADBI, yes.
The third my lord is by Andhra Bank. That's dated OA number 133/06.
130?
3/06. Andhra Bank arrests my vendor, the bank, and the landowners as party.
What happened to Andhra Bank's OA?
As against my vendors and the original landowners, OA is dismissed.
Dismissed. Then what about Oriental Bank?
This court, my lord, holds that they can go against any property than the property which I have purchased, because I have purchased under the Surface Act and our protection under 13(6).
Hmm.
Now, my lord, this bank R1, my lord, files an application. Now, my lords may see M and N. According to them, M is the deposit of titles which they give, and N is the affidavit under which the property is identified. M, my lords, may see the schedule to M, my lord, at page 98, Schedule B. Schedule A is the entire property,
The
my lord.
piece and parcel of undivided share of land.
6% of undivided, building mentioned therein with respect
So
to
according to them, entire building.
there's only 6% of undivided share. That is the, what has been mortgaged. Now they get clarification, my lord, by the affidavit at the next page. At page 99, annexure N. The strange way, my lord, it's been done.
Where is the 6% of your property?
Lord, I would,
My lord, may see the affidavit, I'll just clarify.
I would refer to the title
Where is
document.
that?
The next page, my lord, page 99, annexure N.
Oh,
My lords, may see the second paragraph, my lord, that Mrs. Pradhan Apartment Construction Private Limited has put up a construction of a third floor
are you
building.
reading?
Lord, the first and second and third paragraph, my lord.
The construction was completed in the year, yes.
So completed in the same and so and given kata number so and so, flat number 301.
Where do you get it?
This on this loan is sanctioned with respect to 301.
Yours
Now,
is 30?
2. Now my lords may see the auction notice, my lord, which they give at annexure H page 74. The schedule, my lords, would find at page 76, my lord. They seek for 302. Now, my lord, similar situation arose before this court, and this court, my lord, may take the judgment, my lord, which had earlier appeared at page 60.
We'll ask him, then we'll see that, yes.
Lord, I may be permitted to file certain documents.
No, we'll take the documents. No, your document.
Lord, these
Your
documents would
document.
provide,
Your
would
document
assist the
is
court
page-
in getting
98 is not your document.
Not
98 is not your document.
98, yes, 98 is my document. It is my
Please
title
look at
document.
98.
Yes. Lord, the
Let's see
title,
the document at 98, then we'll go to the other things. So 99 clearly discloses that it is flat number 301.
my lord, I would refer to the municipal corporation number as 25/5. My lord, I have a supporting document which shows that 25/5 is nothing but the property situated in third floor.
No, when you have a document, this is the one which is mortgaged to you.
Yes.
And that clearly says it is 301. Why should you again do some other exercise?
My lord, in the affidavit, the document number is mentioned as 301.
That is what you are concerned with.
They claim their property is 302.
Yes.
However, the property is situated in the third floor is admittedly is only one single property, which is the third floor. The property number, the municipal
One
corporation.
property is given 302.
But they had Vastu number, not they didn't, the owners did not want 4 in any of the apartments.
Lord,
Owners did not want to.
Add up number 4 barbaro anta. Then for adding numbers, numerically they didn't want
So
4.
every floor it is 302.
302, 202, 203. They didn't have 4. That is where the confusion. Now, my lord, when Oriental Bank was given, they gave number 3A.
It is very unfortunate, isn't it?
Lord, yes, my lord.
4 banks fighting for the same property.
Lord, my only submission to this court is, my lord,
No, in these circumstances, we will go to to the order of coordinate bench. Which
Page
is,
60, my lord.
my lord,
Page number
6060.
6
0.
is come to that.
Seventh portion, the reasoning starts at page 66, my lord, para 7.
Yes.
At the outset,
Yes, please read.
At the outset, it is to be noticed that in normal circumstances, when recovery proceedings under the proceedings initiated under the DIT is an issue for consideration and appropriate proceedings will have to be initiated. However, what is necessary to be noticed in the instant case is that the petitioners, though they are making out a grievance with regard to the recovery proceedings initiated by respondents herein and the recovery certificate dated 13/10/2005 issued in OA number 214 of 2004, are in fact before the court asserting the right which had become absolute in favor of the petitioners based on a sale date dated 3/8/2004 executed in exercise of rights under the Surface Act by another bank. In that light, especially what requires consideration here is with regard to the matter in which the proceedings in DCP 3718 is taking shape. If such recovery proceedings is initiated in respect of the very property purchased by the petitioners under the sale date dated 3/8/2004 to the petition. In this regard, though the petitioners have the opportunity of filing an objection statement in DCP number 3718 in OS and so, these aspects of the matter require clarification by this court, and in that light, a direction is required to be issued to the recovery officer. Taking into consideration all the aspects of the matter as noticed, the property which is purchased by the petitioner in the process known to law was also considered by DRT in OA number 133 of 06, and the sale made by Srinidhi Savarda Sahakara Bank has been accepted by the DRT, and the claim of the respondent number 1 herein is a claim which is of this similar. Therefore, in respect of the property which respondent number 1 is laying claim, certainly such claim would not be sustainable at this juncture. It is no doubt True that as contained by the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 bank, the property, namely the flat, though indicated as 302 in the CLT dated 3/8/2004, the recovery proceedings under DCP number 3718 in OA number so and so refers to a specification of the property as the residential apartment bearing number 3A. However, the fact in both the documents, the residential apartment referred to is situated in Municipal Corporation number 25/5, 7th Main, 11th Cross, Malleshwaram, Bangalore cannot be in dispute. Therefore, ultimately, it boils down to the issue as to whether the original borrower from all these three banks had more than one flat in third floor of the said building, or whether there is whether it is a different property that had been mortgaged in favor of respondent number 1. As evident so far, as the considerations that have been made by the DRT when the Andhra Bank had filed the claim petition in number 133 of 06, the property was not found to be a different from the property which has been purchased by the petitioner. If that be the position, in any
Such a
event,
balanced order it is. That we will, same order will pass.
My lord, my kind submission is, my lord.
All your contentions are answered in this order.
My lord, yes, my lord. My lord, the petitioner herein claims that the property has not been sold by the respondents. That is the original landowners in favor of GP Prabhu. That is the person who has mortgaged to the IDBI bank also. My lord, however, cleverly he has not submitted to the court that there was a registered GPA executed. My lord, by virtue of the registered GPA, the said Prabhu has.
All those facts will not go into in the light of the order passed by the coordinate bench of this court, where everything, the court has not set aside the order passed by the passed in OA. He said, you have any other remedy against that person, you please take care of it. But he has purchased a property, in the sale certificate is issued, and in a proceedings known to law. If this is a matter in which the courts are passing orders, then it's difficult.
Yes, my lord, I completely agree, my lord. But here in the said petition, while disposing of the matter, the court has granted the liberty to the petitioner to file objection.
with the clarification, I'll file the objection with the same
It
clarification.
has not
I'll file
caused the
before
proceedings. It has not caused the proceedings. Only they have given
That's
liberty.
what, it's not quashed.
Yes, my lord.
So the same order will pass.
But my lord, in this present case, my lord, my vendor, the borrower's title is much older to the title, whatever
But
is
still,
claimed.
let it be considered, because he has purchased in a bank, and under the surface of proceedings, he has purchased a property.
Yes.
There has to be, we can't unilaterally throw him out of the court.
Yes, I agree. I completely
Well,
agree.
in the same manner, we'll dispose of the matter.
Not see para 12, madam, sorry.
Para?
Para 12 of the order at page 70, madam.
Yes, I've seen that.
The last portion, not same anything, I would request, madam.
I've seen that they have not.
From any other
satisfied the-
property that he holds, let them take it, not against my property.
Yes.
Not against his property, my lord, by the meaning that, the property municipal number is same, my lord. He cannot unilaterally say that.
Also recorded by the judge, recorded by the earlier court, saying that there is only one property.
One property, yes, ma'am.
That is recorded.
Yes,
Having recorded that, this is a finding.
He-
So
let
there is
him fi-
nothing, no new facts in your
He will be
case.
permitted to file objection is what this court is.
Whatever this order says, whatever this order, the present writ petition is filed, signifying prayer.
My kind submission is, my lord, these documents may kindly be considered, my lord. Why? Because the court would get clarity as to whether my documents are prior to his.
No, there is no dispute on that.
That observation would
Whether,
help. my lord.
no, I'll record your contentions. I'll record your contention, that is your mortgage is prior to the purchase of the
Lord, my
petition.
NPA is even prior to his vendor's title deed.
Oh, no, that's all the banks are fighting against the individual, that's the whole problem.
Promise not
No, since
initiate
there is-
after I purchased it. If they had prior NPA, they should have filed
Lord,
it.
since there is fraud being alleged, my kind submission
A
is he has to
will
approach the
come-
civil
A
court.
day will come, only the banks will be giving the property half or quarter of the borrowed amount, because nobody will come forward for the auctions if this is the fate of the auctions.
But in this particular case, since fraud is being alleged, and since title itself of the petitioner is in question, he has to approach the civil court is what is my submission.
But what fraud he has?
I have not alleged any fraud against
No, he has alleged that,
No.
he has
bank-
specifically stated
No,
that
for example.
there is no sale deed.
No, you go to the banks, to the DRT. DRT allows your OA and says that the property has to be sold in public auction. He will come and buy. No, some other bank will come and say that there is fraud. What he will do?
But he has a right to approach civil court and get my documents cancelled. He can do that under a declaration suit. That he has to do is what my kind submission is.
You also can go to the bank, go to the civil
Because if he
court.
again goes to the
passed by the
officer,
DRT
the
cannot
same,
be-
Say that to declare that bank is the owner of the property.
but he is claiming title adverse to mine, my lord.
Petition has purchased,
Because my mortgage is first charge is what I'm.
purchased a apartment, the flat number 302 in the apartment constructed by, they are the parties to this?
No, madam.
Huh?
No, madam.
The petition has purchased flat number 3 measuring 2,350 square feet. It was allotted to the share of one Srimati Sharadamma and B.N. Satyan. However, one G.P. Prabhu had created a 4 sale deeds in respect of the apartment fallen to the share of the vendors of the petitioner and mortgaged the same to same in respect of Messrs. Srinidhi Sauhadra Sahakari Bank and obtained a loan. When the surface proceedings were initiated, in that the petitioner has participated in the auction and purchased the property and a sale deed was executed on 3/8/2024.
30th.
3/8.
30.
38/2004, a sale deed is executed in favor of the bank. It is submitted that the very same borrower has mortgaged this property in favor of Oriental Bank, Andhra Bank, and also your first respondent, respondent number 1 bank. It is submitted that the Andhra Bank has filed OA number 133 of 206, which came to be dismissed against the petitioner and
Against the petitioner's vendor.
against the petitioner's vendor. Then what happened to the Oriental Bank 214 of 2000?
The bank, my vendor was not a party. It was allowed. We challenged in the writ petition which I referred to.
Lord, I would like to.
Petition is of Oriental Bank. Then the Oriental
One kind submission, but it is not the title deed submitted by the borrower, by the guarantor. The title is different.
Oriental
It is a different
Bank,
title deed.
Oriental Bank has filed OA number 214 of 2004, and OA was allowed. They are questioning the same. The petitioner has filed WP number 45797 of 2011, and a coordinate bench of this court by order dated 8th August 2016 has allowed had disposed of the writ petition. Please extract from paragraph number 7 to end of the order. Land Council appearing for the petitioner submits that in the light of the order passed when WP number so and so, this writ petition needs to be allowed. Next paragraph, Land Council appearing for the respondent bank submits that the property was mortgaged in favor of the bank on 7/12/1998, whereas in respect of the Sauhadra Bank, the mortgage was on 14/10/2001. The charge of the petitioner or the property is first, and it is submitted that the bank has the first charge of the property, and they are entitled, and the order that is passed by the DRT is passed in the OA is a well-considered order, and the petitioner is not entitled for any relief from this court. The Land Council appearing for the respondent has drawn the attention, has submitted that there are certain documents which show the title of the party who has mortgaged the property and the right of the bank.
Madam, also relying on certain judgments.
However, this court is not inclined to consider and go into any of those aspects in the light of the order passed by this court in WP number so and so. Accordingly, and next, having heard the counsels on either side, there is a material on record. Either the earlier Oriental Bank or the present bank stands in the same footing as the court in the earlier writ petition has considered about how the property is purchased by the petitioner in a public auction that is conducted under the surface proceedings. And the court had in detail has considered all the aspects and disposed of the matter by observing that the recovery certificate shall remain valid against the respondents that is the borrowers from the respondent number 1 bank for the purpose of recovery of the amount for which a certificate has been issued. for any other property other than the property that is described in the sale deed dated 30/8/2024. The court has further observed that to ensure that the property which the petitioners have purchased does not become the subject matter of the proceedings before the recovery officer, the petitioners are granted the liberty of filing objections to the said proceedings and bring these aspects to the notice of the recovery officer. The same shall be kept in view of the background of this order and appropriate orders be passed by the recovery officer. In the light of the above, this court is passing the following order. The petitioner shall file his objections to the proceedings before the recovery officer within a period of
3 weeks.
within a period of 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. Number 2. In the light of the order passed in WP number so and so, the recovery officer shall consider the same in accordance with law.
One request, notice to R2 may be dispensed with. Notice to R2 may be dispensed with.
R2 is who?
Recovery officer.
No, notice to R2 is in the in a order. It is submitted that notice to recovery officer is not necessary. Hence the same is dispensed with. Give a memo.
Grateful.
The memo is filed seeking dispensation. Yes, next.
7. Shankar Narayan Bhatt.
Move for withdrawal. Memo of withdrawal is filed that as for the instructions of the petitioner, the memo is filed. Accordingly, memo is taken on record. Dismissed as withdrawn. Yes, next.
Cell number 8.
In this
For
matter,
respondent number 3 in this case, my lords.
What is the petition about?
In this matter, I have challenged the order of the Assistant Commissioner, wherein the respondent number 3 had gifted the property to the
To
petitioner.
call for the entire records pertaining to the impugned order dated past and so and so. What is this? Who is the second respondent?
Assistant Commissioner.
That is Assistant Commissioner.
Oh, with regard, senior citizen.
senior
Act.
citizen.
Whose order is the challenge for this one.
You are the son.
I am the grandson.
Grandson.
Grandson gifted the property by the respondent number 3 herein. Gifted the
Who
property.
gifted to whom?
Grandmother
Gifted to the grandson.
Grandson. Now, subsequently, at the instance of the other sons, she approached the Assistant Commissioner to for cancellation of the same, stating that the grandson is not looking after her well. This is the case. The Assistant Commissioner unilaterally cancelled that gift, and ordered to enter the kata in her name. Now, they have
Unilaterally means he has not given notice to you.
They have given notice, you know, the evidence is conducted, nothing is there. Even in the gift deed, there is no cancellation clause also.
No, they were
Even the
relying
Honorable
on,
Supreme Court.
no, they were relying on some other judgment, division bench judgment, which is that?
This.
No.
Direct Supreme Court judgment, direct judgment is.
No. Some, wow.
Yeah, that side.
Oh.
There was a judgment by this court.
You said a single judge and a division bench also said that recital is not required. You have to look at the surrounding circumstances.
Yes, ma'am. Apart from that, they have to approach the civil court. What the Supreme Court?
Yes.
Honorable Justice Suraj Govindraj recently held that the recitals is not required under section 23 to cancel the deed. But there is Supreme Court judgment on Sudesh Chikara and the Sunil Sandikshit that there must be a condition to look after the child.
How can there be another judgment contrary to the Supreme Court?
And there is one more judgment of this division bench which says that there must be a
A
condition.
recital shall be there.
Yes.
Moreover, my lord, the suit has been filed by the
Lord,
other family members. There is an interim order granted by the
Let's see
trial
which
court.
paragraph? Paragraph number?
In starting page itself, may I take note? That paragraph
No,
number
come to
50,
the, that is a head note. You should come to the
15.
order.
Sorry, 15.
On submission, blood. Third respondent is present, blood. She's filing. Third respondent is present, blood.
She's filing memo for consenting to allow the writ petition.
My lord, we have strong,
Lord, third respondent filing a memo consenting to allow the writ petition. Lord.
Third respondent is a grandmother.
Yes, Lord, she's present. Lord. Lord, she's present.
Madam, I may be
My
permitted to
lord.
file retirement memo, my lords, from representing respondent number 3.
my lord,
Do that, what is that? To
My lord,
whom, for whom you are appearing?
my lord, I am
Third
appealing for
respondent.
the children of respondent number 3, my lord. We have all filed suit for partition and separate question alleging the fraud played against the mother and.
You have no say in this. Now the whole issue is between the grandson and the
Seriously.
My lord,
grandmother.
yes, ma'am. In
Oh,
this regard,
no,
my
no.
lord,
If you want,
gift deed has been already challenged before the civil court, my lord.
Go there.
My lord,
That
there is
doesn't go,
already
you will
an
not-
injunction order granted by the trial court.
Respondent number 3, suppose they have to consider.
My lord, may pass on the order sheet of the trial court, my lord.
Let it be, that's not relevant for this
My
case.
lords, one submission, my lords. I may be
Yes.
permitted
My
to
lord, now, my lord, she has alleged that fraud played against her and the assistant commissioner has allowed it. And now again, the matter, she is aged about 80 years. 80 years now. Now whether your lordship look into the conduct of the parties
Why
in
should we
this.
look at the conduct of the parties?
My lord, see, they were, without the consent of other family members, my lord, they took her to the sub-registrar office, that too during COVID period.
Just listen to the court.
Please, my lord.
That is, you have raised a civil dispute.
Yes,
pending
ma'am.
Before the civil court.
Yes, ma'am.
You people will decide whether she has a right to execute a gift deed in respect of a joint family property. That will be decided independently.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this dispute is pertaining to, you're being shown as one of the parties. But the dispute is between the grandmother and the grandson in whose favor the gift deed is executed. Now she says she has no, she wants to withdraw, let her withdraw.
Now the question is, my lord, the very same grounds are urged in the civil court that the petitioner herein played fraud and got obtained the gift deed, that too during the COVID period, my lord. That too during the COVID period, my lord. Now after lapse of this thing, my lord, again, they have made her to this thing and they are before
We
this
will
court.
not allow anybody to, unnecessarily, the jurisdiction, the limited
My
purpose.
lord, may make one submission, my lord. Subject to the result of the suit, my lord, the writ petition may kindly be disposed of, my lord.
No,
My lords, I may be permitted to retire from representing respondent.
you appear for whom? You appear for whom?
Respondent number 3, I filed wakalat earlier. Without
I am
any
filing
notice,
wakalat for
I
R4, my
may be
lord, today.
permitted to retire, my lords.
File in the registry.
Please, my lord. My lord, my another.
File in the registry. I'll look into this on, let's this matter on 21st.
I'll place all the judgments.
Lord, already I have filed a memo. Lord. It is not put up. Lord. So
File it, we'll consider all that on the Tuesday. Let him, let his retirement memo, everything come on record. Yes,
Interim order is there now.
interim order earlier granted is extended till then.
Till number 9, Mohammed Tahir, for petitioner.
Hearing for petitioner, lordship. I place short accommodation, lordship. I place short accommodation, lordship. Lordship, it is talks between bank and the is going on, lordship. For one time-
Access
That's
value housing finance, again, it's such a
Submission.
writ petition.
And the represent may be noted.
Huh?
A represent may
No,
be.
not today. The writ petition is filed against Aptus Value Housing Finance India Limited in the light of the law laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in so-and-so, the writ petition that Vishwabharati Housing. The writ petition against a private finance company is not maintainable. Accordingly, writ petition is disposed of.
No,
giving
lordship.
liberty
I
to
filed
the
an impleading
petitioner.
application, lordship.
Huh?
Filed an impleading application, lordship.
Pleading whom?
For the bank name is your lordship. Edelweiss, your lordship.
Huh?
Edelweiss.
What is that?
Edelweiss Asset Reconstruction Company.
That is also not a, again, that
Lordship.
also not
Lordship.
a.
Settlement is going on, lordship.
The
Next
petition that liberty to avail the appropriate remedy. Petition shall have the benefit of section 14 of the Limitation Act. Next.
Till number 10, Muhammad Anand Shetty.
I'm for the petitioner. Sorry, my lord, yesterday
Stay
I could not be
Acharya.
here. Now, this is regarding service of no, await service of notice on respondent 1 and 3. 3 is the bank. My learned friend respondent number 2 is appearing for the bank.
No, let's see who are the parties.
Yes. Now, this is, my lord, this.
The Statutory Tribunal, Karnataka Bank Limited.
Yes. Karnataka Bank Limited, my learned friend is appearing. Even the third respondent also, he can appear.
No, are you aware of a judgment of this court?
Yes,
that,
no, as far as that, I'll come to that.
Yes.
Now kindly see, my lord, this particular facts is annexure K, your lordship may kindly see. Earlier, I had approached, I am not a borrower, no security of interest
That's
is there.
true.
Yes,
As per the judgment of this court, the Karnataka against the Karnataka Bank writ is not maintainable. The proceedings are initiated under the surface proceedings, go to DRT.
correct.
DRT.
No, that's what, madam. In this is a special case. Kindly see the order earlier. I am not a party to the,
No, whatever it is, because I am not entertaining a writ when it is not maintainable, whatever the facts of the case. You
no,
have to
here,
go before the DRT.
earlier this writ petition came to be maintained. And pursuant to that, there is a
Because
direction.
that's a
Now,
whole-
there was a
that's a
direction
whole
to the
problem.
tribunal. Your lordship may kindly see page 136 annexure K.
So
This is
maybe at that
alternative remedy is not always a bar to entertain writ
No, this is
petition.
not an alternative
No,
remedy.
here-
This is not an alternative remedy. This is a case that the writ itself is not maintainable.
No, that's what, my lord. First, earlier, now there was a direct, writ was entertained by this honorable court.
But
Annexure.
that-
Your
I'm
your lordship,
conscious of it that it is
kindly
not
have it,
meant-
I will go through the judgment, I'll try to
Give
distinguish.
that just Narendra's judgment and the later Vishwabharati's judgment.
Yes.
Both pass on. This is matter on 25th.
Yes.
Bill number 11.
My lord, appearing to the petitioner.
Yes.
My lord, in this, what has been sought for is for me to furnish the details of respondent number 2 and 3. My lord, that is a part of my interim prayer because I do not have the details of respondent number 2 and 3 at all. In fact, I have questioned that.
Now, you're questioning the possession notice.
Yes, my
On
lord.
what ground you're questioning the possession notice? That you argue first.
Yes, my lord. My lord, insofar as the possession notice has been issued, it has been issued with respect to property bearing khata number 4047. I am the owner of the property for which I have submitted the title documents also. It is available at page 14. I am given to understand all of a sudden that house I had given it for rent. All of a sudden, the bank has affixed this possession notice upon that flat in the name of respondent number 2 and 3, one by name Roddam Nagashiva Shankar and Shankar Madhavi. I do not have the details at all, my lord, and I have not availed any loan from this bank with respect to that property.
Then I'll dispose of this writ petition, directing the bank to furnish all the details. When the details are furnished, to go to the DRT.
Very well, my lord.
Please come. Present writ petition is filed. Seeing the following prayer. It's a case of the petitioner that the petitions of the owners of the apartment bearing number P210, block number 2, second floor, Lotus Palace apartment, measuring 1330 square feet, along with one covered car space, constructed on survey number 1/3, 1/4, and 1/5, and having BBMP Khata number 4047, situated at Kasavanahalli village. The e-Khata came to be issued in favor of the petitioner on 2/8/2025, and they've been regularly paying the taxes. They have let out this property on rent since 2021 and are also receiving regular rents regarding the same. To the surprise of the petitioners, on 9/9/2025, a letter was issued by ICICI Bank came to be affixed on the petitioner's property, stating that the symbolic portion of the property has been taken by the bank in an exercise of its powers under section 13 of the Surface Act. The portion notice read that one Roddam Nagashiva Shankar and Shankar Madhavi had availed a loan and were required to repay an amount of rupees 32,21,113. It is stated that petitioner do not have any details about those persons and they are no way concerned with the loan amount. In fact, earlier, the petitioner has filed a complaint against the builder and also a charge sheet is filed. And the builder has filed a criminal petition, that is WP number 2569 of 2024. It is stated that all the original title deeds with respect to the property are in possession of the petitioner The petitioner has not availed any loan from ICICI Bank, nor has provided the said property as security to any person. The encumbrance certificate from 2/1/2019 till 4/6/2025 with respect to the property reflects only the sale deed executed by the builder in favor of the petitioner. Hence the petitioner has come before this court. Learned counsel.
Giving the details.
Where is the AC is not on? Why it's so hot? It is submitted, what did you write? Before this court, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is unconnected with this loan deed, with any of these things. And now without, unless the details were furnished, they'll not be in a position to avail the appropriate remedy, which made them to come before this court. Then counsel appearing for the respondent bank submits that has furnished the copy of the details to the counsel appearing for the petitioners before this court. It is submitted by the land counsel for the respondent that the loan was availed on
The 2050.
Loan was availed on in the year 2015. It is a builder or the.
My lord, the loan was availed by the respondent number 2 and 3.
Who are the?
Borrowers. The R2
Are they the builders of that apartment?
No, they are the owners of they have taken the loan from the ICICI Bank to purchase the apartment.
The apartment, it is submitted that the names which are mentioned in the possession notice are of the borrowers and they have availed the loan. Next part. Having heard the counsels on either side, there's the material on. The whole grievance of the petitioner is unconnected with the loan transaction, and entire documents, the title deeds are in possession of the petitioner, and petitioner has let the property on rent. And to their surprise, now they have received this possession notice under 13(4). Now, and it is a case that they are not aware of the other particulars. Now the learned counsel appearing to the respondent has furnished all the details pertaining to the
details of the respondent
details pertaining to the borrower.
Yes, ma'am.
Now borrower, as now all the details are with the petitioner. Now petitioner can avail the appropriate remedy before the DRT. In that view of the matter, this court is passing the following order. The petitioner, the petition is disposed of, directing the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy before the DRT. Petitioner shall have the benefit of section 14 of the Limitation Act number 3. There is an interim order in this.
There is an interim order.
The petitioner, an interim order that is passed on so and so. What is the date?
The interim order was passed on, my lord,
My lord, on 17.
on 2011-2025.
2011?
Yes.
2011-2021. The interim order granted on 2011-2021 shall be in force for a period of 8 weeks from today. And 8 weeks from today, and yes.
Great.
Much obliged.
Cell number 12. Cell
Yes.
number 12. Vignesh Shetty.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, in fact, my lord, this honorable court granted an interim order. My lord, detailed interim order has been, my lord, passed by this honorable court, wherein, my lord, magistrate order, my lord, SLB for this honorable court. And in fact, my lord, kindly, my lord, there are the interim order dated 30th 10/2025. This honorable court, my lord, granted, my lord, stayed the all, my lord, order passed by the magistrate, and also, my lord, directed me to, my lord, survey copy. In fact, my lord, we are tried to survey copy, my lord, however, they are not accepted. We affixed on the constituent part of the, my lord, property, and my lord, I filed an affidavit before the service affidavit also I filed.
No, I'm not able to understand why are you questioning that order.
My lord, my lord, this honorable court passed a detailed order, my lord, it is covered everything. There is
Issue so and so, quash the order dated past. What is the order dated?
My lord, Annexure C, my lord,
my lord, I filed a section 14 petition before the magistrate initially. And later, my lord, I took a possession of a property. Pursuant to taking a possession of a property, my lord, the borrower, my lord, trespassed the property and my lord, they had taken back the possession of a property. As of now, my lord, the
You
possession.
are also aggrieved party against the order passed under section 14.
That is what.
What is the remedy available to you?
My lord, in fact, my lord, this honorable was a detail, lord, I just point out, my lord, because it's abusing the process
No,
of law.
before going into all that, when under section 14, anybody is agreed.
It's not only that.
Anybody is agreed will go to the DRT. Why not you?
I am not on that, my lord. In this matter, the magistrate passed in, my lord, directions to the jurisdiction police to register the FIR against me. Therefore, my lord, I am aggrieved and I came before this honorable court. Wherein, my lord, kindly see the order, my lord. My lord heard this matter in detail. I just read the order, my lord, passed by this honorable court, my lords. Dated, my lord, 30/10/2025. The petitioner bankers before this court questioning order dated 28/8/2025 in CMS number so and so by Principal Senior Civil Judge CJ at Mandya, whereby magistrate has dismissed the application filed under section 14 of the Surface Act and directed the office to register the criminal miscellaneous case against the petitioner, who is represented by the authorized officer in view of the application filed by respondent dated 30/1/2024. After registering the criminal miscellaneous, the preliminary inquiry will be conducted against the petitioner. Authorized officer, learned counsel for the appearing for the petition submit that the order that passed by the magistrate is contrary to law, as also facts on the case. It submitted that the account of respondent declared NPO on 30/1/2020 and the Surface proceedings were initiated and the notice under section 13.2 and 13.4 of the Surface Act was issued on 15/7/2020. And the possession was voluntarily handed over on 10/2/2023 and signed by the Panchnama later in the 2025. The respondent forcefully entered into the property and the petitioner gave complaint to the police and FIR was registered in crime number so and so. After the full-fledged investigation, the police had filed charge sheet. The respondent had filed a PCR and the same was rejected. Please, madam.
Come to the MP. Notice is not ordered.
Notice order. In fact, we have taken a process also. Signed summons order, my lord. In fact, I filed a service affidavit also before this honorable court.
No,
But, apart from that, my lord, I would like to point out one more thing. Initially filed by my lord father, then wife. Then there are two more petitions also pending.
No, I'm only asking whether the respondent is served or not.
Process, my lord, taken, and in addition to that, my lord, we have.
Look at it. Look at it. What about the service?
I filed a service affidavit also.
Look at it.
On 24/11/2025.
So if it is served, I'll record it and pass final order.
Please, my lord. My lord, it may connected with, my lord, two more writ petition. In fact, this honorable court granted stay in a similar set of facts. Subsequent to this.
Not complied.
In fact, my lord, affidavit I filed. My lord, affidavit, service affidavit I filed before.
What are the other two numbers?
Other two, my lord, 326432.
List along with so and so on 26. Take that also.
Both.
And in the meantime, see that in other two also this the service.
Other two services completed.
Completed.
Complete.
Yes, list. Advocate is appearing.
Advocate, my lord, who's appearing in court immediate below, my lord, I served a copy on other two petitions. Wherein
Has he filed wakalat in those two?
Yes, my lord, in one petition he filed, other
What
petition.
is his name? Tell to the court officer.
Please, my lord,
Print the name of so and so in this case and list along with so and so. Yes, 13.
Any date, my lord, and.
I said just now, what is the date? Is it 20?
26.
Yes.
Interim order granted earlier may be extended.
Yes.
Grateful.
Till number 13.
May I please your ladyship?
HS Rukojiro.
Yes.
May I please your ladyship? My lord, I am an MSME. That is the first sentence of my writ petition. And
I will hear
seeking
this
the-
writ petition. 1 minute, Mr. I'll hear this writ petition at 4:15.
My lords, I have one preliminary objection, my lords.
Whatever it is now, you understand why the court is
I'll
saying.
leave it
I'll take up this matter at 4:15.
I'll leave it to my.
Yes, 4:15.
4:15. Yeah.
Jagdish Acharya.
Hearing for petitioner in this case, madam. Week's time may be granted, madam.
For what?
For
Manappuram Home Finance, direct judgment. Manappuram Home Finance, no writ lies. What is that judgment? No, that the Vidya or the, Vishwabharati, not Vishwabharati. Vishwabharati is Muthoot Finance. This Manappuram Home Finance is also there. The writ petition against so and so. Writ petition is filed against Manappuram Home Finance in the light of the law laid down in. Another judgment is there apart from Vishwabharati, one more judgment. The other day, one counsel has given, senior counsel. That in judgment also we have recorded. That is directly. So in those, the writ petition is not maintainable. Accordingly, writ petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy. And petitioner shall have the benefit of section 14 of the Surface Act, the Limitation Act. Yes.
Permit me to file wakalat Miller, for respondent.
So Mr. So
B.S. Mahendra.
Mr. So and so can, that should be on the order sheet. So and so what is permitted to file wakalat within 1 week. Yes, 15.
Bill number 15. Harshit B for petitioner.
I
Murthy
appear
S.
for petitioner, my lord. My lords, one, for a moment, my lord, annexure here, my lord, I have challenged the pre-sale.
Finance Corporation.
Please, my lord,
Limited.
pre-sale notice, my lords, prior to taking possession, my lord, physical possession, Tondila. My lord, section 14 application has also not been filed before the magistrate, my lord. Prior to.
Please understand.
Please, my lords.
First of all, I can hear all this provided a writ is maintainable.
Please, my lords.
You are filing a writ against a Vastu Housing Finance Company.
Please, my lords.
That is not maintainable. Go before the DRT and agitate all your.
My lords, before DRT, my lords, section 17, my lords, I am challenging the pre-sale notice, my lords. 13-4 notice, I am not challenging, my lord.
Whatever it is, you cannot question anything before this court.
My lords, inherent
Under the
jurisdiction
surface
of this
proceedings.
honorable court, my lords. Inherent jurisdiction. For a moment, my lords.
No,
My lords,
not that.
rule-
Supreme Court said you have no jurisdiction. Please look at the judgments. List this matter.
Please,
Tomorrow, give him the
my lords,
judgment.
my lords, next week, my lords, we will settle the matter by March 30th, my lords.
Interim order is not complied, my lords.
My lords, March 30th, my lords.
Week. Let's sit on next week someday, give the date. Yes, next.
My lords, March 30th, my lords. I will come up with the DD, my lords.
You convert?
Come up with the DD, my lords, for one-time
What
settlement.
is the outstanding amount?
7,78,000, my lords.
They
I'm
were
ready to.
supposed to.
Unfortunately, what will happen is if I allow this writ petition, it becomes.
My lords, my kind indulgence of this honorable court, my lords. March 30th, my lords.
DRT,
my
go
lords,
before
my
the
lords,
DRT
I
and
will
do
come up with the
everything.
DD, my lords. Please, my lords.
Do
My
it
lords,
next week.
please,
I will not extend the interim order.
please, my lords.
List this matter
30th, my lords. 30th, my lords.
on,
March 30th, my lords.
on 1st of April
Please, my lords.
and don't extend the interim order.
Please, my lords.
Yes.
Oblige, my lords.
My lords, if they pay 70,000 of the amount. my
Interim
lords,
order is not extended. You, whatever you want to do, you do.
Please,
Yes,
my
you
lords.
can't have any objection on that.
Oblige.
Yes, that day I'm going to dismiss it,
Please, my lords.
whatever it is.
Please, my lords.
Yes.
Bill number 16. Srinivas B.
For petition in this case, right? Needfulest been done.
Huh?
Needfulest.
Not needful. What is the writ petition about?
My lord, we had challenged the sale certificate in the DRT, my lord. The essay was,
Who appears for this Jammu Kashmir Bank? Huh? Sailesh Kumar. Put in the name of Mr. Sailesh Kumar for the respondent. List this matter on 6th of April.
Bill number 17. Sangeeta Sangananavar.
My lordship, a short passover, my lordship.
Passover. Yes, 18.
Bill number 18. Bill number 18. Dhanusham.
My lord, Your Lordship had informed about this Vishwabharati, my lord. That is not applicable to facts of my case. How so, my lord, is.
What facts? You don't require facts.
No, my lord, in those cases, there was a classification of an account as an NP. In my case,
Please understand, I think you have not read the judgment on the, in a perspective of how what is the ratio laid down, you have to see, not about the facts. The ratio is against the SS reconstruction companies and against the finance companies, that it is not maintainable. That's the ratio. It is not which proceedings they have questioned.
my lord, the two parts of the judgment, my lord. One is whether, when.
The first part is more important.
First part, which is, my lord, that if there is.
I'm sorry, that's your understanding of the judgment. The writ petition is
My
fine.
lord, I'll request is one request, let me make, my lord. At least, I just seek instructions from my client.
Yes, when do you want?
1st of April. my lord,
Yes,
first week of
this is
April.
matter on 1st of April. This court has already indicated to the land council, the petitioner, that the writ petition against the assist reconstruction company is not maintainable. Land council wants to get instructions. Finally list on 1st, no further time. Yes.
Bill number 19. Chandan Srikanth.
Please, my lord. To fairly submit, my lord, in this matter, I was not even aware, my lord. Earlier, writ petition was already filed and it was dismissed as withdrawn.
So what do you want now? So withdraw this writ petition.
My lord, I'll withdraw this petition, but if I may request the
No,
council.
no. Hey, only thing is, if you withdraw the writ petition, I'm not going to impose costs.
Please.
For any other thing, costs.
Please, I'll withdraw the
Just take the memo. Dismissed as withdraw.
Bill number 20.
Obliged.
Adjourned. 21. Cell number 21.
Appear for the
petitioner.
respondent.
Yes.
My lords, my file NOC Wakalat, my lords. My name is not showing. Our name is not showing.
What's your name?
Wakalat is filing the name of Mr. Samir Sharma, my lords. Name is not shown. The lordships may have it.
We are placed in a piquant situation because on another collateral, this thing, my learned friends.
What we do is, we'll give one date and we'll definitely take up on that matter. So and so submits that he has filed invoice Wakalat, his name is not reflected in the cause list. Registry is directed to print his name. List this matter on, we'll have it on 7th April.
No, earlier, my lord, I could probably main matter.
No, difficulty is all our holidays.
Not for that reason. What has been done is, it pertains to the palace property. He has challenged the constitutional validity of section 5(2) of the Hindu Succession Act. And in that, there is an interim order that my application for that contention should not be taken up. Now, Supreme Court has directed the trial to be completed within a year on day-to-day
Then
basis.
we'll have it on 24th.
Please.
1st of April, my lords.
Huh?
1st of
No,
April.
24. Yes.
Or 25th, my lords.
So you can't, no, I'm accommodating for this reason. You can't,
My lords,
having an order in the year 2015, you can't,
Lords, because after 2015, the matter is coming up
Might
today.
be,
that's the
doesn't
reason.
matter.
The
doesn't
lordships
matter.
have it on
You please
25th.
come, Mr. Counsel.
25th, my lords.
First of all, court has already accommodated you, no further accommodation.
Lords, I understand.
In the light of the Supreme Court judgment, I'm not going to adjourn it. Yes, next.
Lords, on 25th, 1 day's accommodation, my lords. 25th, my lords. Next day.
25th.
I'm great.
Cell number 22. 22.
My lords, in this, union has to be represented. We'll take out notice on the union also. Respond number 1 is the union.
Print the name of the DSG, Shanti Bhushan, and serve papers on your petitions as all the copies on the Council for the Union of India. Yes, 22.
Great.
22.
Yes, ma'am. I'm the petitioner party in person, my lord.
No, yes, yeah, as this matter came up yesterday.
No, not yesterday, my lord. Lord, I'm here to argue about IA number 1 of 24. For a request
No,
on
let's,
early
before
hearing.
going into that, please come to the prayer. Where is your prayer?
Actually, the petition has been amended, my lord.
Amended petition is not filed.
It's filed already.
That's what, we look at the prayer. Amended prayer. Where is that amended prayer?
It is IA number 4. IA number
The
4.
facts are running into 45 pages.
Yeah, it is
45 pages or 1 or 2 pages?
1391 page number, my lord, in IA number 4.
What are these facts? Can a writ petition be filed like this? How will the court understand? And why will the court read 100 pages?
No, my lord.
Petition facts has to be concise and it should be, you make it in a.
No, actually, I made it concise.
Where is
my
that?
lord. This is the new.
It's filed.
Yeah, this is the amended petition.
When is it filed?
It is filed on the 20th 12 2025. my lord.
Look at it. Probably this one, the top one. Dated?
20th 12.
It must be there inside this. Date? No, he has filed an amended copy of the writ petition. And what about this?
It's got an CD, my lord, because it is delayed. The filing is being delayed. It's got a CD on top of it. So
You have another copy with you?
only one copy, my lord. This is more precise and concise. The reason for this is
1 minute. 1 minute. We pass over, we'll see in the afternoon.
Sure.
Take out in the afternoon. Yes, we call the next one.
Cell number 23.
Sorry.
23 adjourned. Cell number 24. Cell number 24.
Respondent number 3 in this case, my lord. Here the applicant is challenging the question 14
Yes,
order.
Mr. Counsel.
14 order. So it message. My lord, before the DRT, it's only to be decided.
My lord, we are not the borrower, my lord. A detailed interim order was passed on 11/2/25, my lord. One, Mr. Murthy has borrowed the loan on
His title dispute only
2015,
decided
my
to-
lord. 2015, he has borrowed the loan, but he has sold the land on 2012 itself, my lord. The bank has given the loan without verifying the.
When did you purchase the property?
My lord,
When did you purchase the property?
I purchased the property in 24, my lord.
2024.
2024.
When was the property mortgaged?
It is in 2015, my lord.
15, my lord.
Borrower
My lord,
know the,
even
their
in
vendor
the
is know
internal-
the,
Sorry, my lord, I'm sorry.
vendor know the knowledge about the loan transaction, my lord.
The borrower
This
have
title-
sold
title-
his property in the year 2012. And thereafter, my lord, my vendor have purchased in the year, my lord, thereafter the borrowers were purchaser have sold it to another, my vendor. And my lord, that transaction in the year 2018.
No, no, no.
And the
One
first
minute.
loan
The borrower of the bank has sold the property.
in the year on 2011/2012, which is observed in the interim order also.
So 2011/2012 was a sale
Sale.
by
So,
the original borrower
the original
to a
borrower.
third party.
Yes, my lord.
You purchased from the third party when?
My lord, I purchased in 2024.
In 2024.
Yes.
And according to them, that property is mortgaged to the
Mortgage in
bank
the
in the
year
year
2015. 2015, after the
Lord,
sale
as per-
having, one nimsha, let me complete. After having the sale having taken place, my lord, site is measuring 30/40. Guideline value, what I purchased was 36 lakhs. What they have lent is 3 crores. And that too, after he selling the property. Now, my lord, your lordship may kindly come to the address mentioned in the securitization notice. It only tallies with the khata number. Rest, my lord, there is no such area. In the entire village, there is no such area, there is no such road.
No, have you filed the TC which shows the sale in 2012?
I have produced the sale deed itself. Not
No,
only
no.
the say, EC also I have produced, my lord.
Where is that?
My lord, I'll take your lordships to the EC. EC. My lord, it is annexure D, my lord, page number 39.
Page number?
39, annexure D.
Hmm.
This is 1/4/2004 to 29/20.
There is something reflected about 5/11/2018.
Yes, my lord.
Where is 12 document? They have, their mortgage is in
My lord,
15.
that is other transaction that we have already, that my vendor.
Where is 2012 entry?
My lord, serial number 4, page number 40.
This is 4.
21/11/20, 21st January 2012, column number 3. And the article is market value.
Sale market value.
10,50,000 rupees. Consideration amount 10,50,000.
Then what is this
Murthy.
2007 entry?
My lord,
What is 2000? These are different kind of properties.
No,
this is the
same.
same property. Several transactions has taken place. And my lord, so far as this Murthy have sold it to me. And thereafter we have done some loan transactions. My vendor have done some loan transactions. Those are also reflected. Now, when I purchased, this loan transaction was not there at all. It was not there. Your lordship may kindly come to see me, sir.
No, 1 minute. 2012, who sold to who?
My lord, Murthy sold to Subramani.
Murthy sold to?
Subramani.
Subramania.
Yes, my lord.
Who has mortgaged the property to you?
My lord, the bank mortgage.
Mr. Counsel for the bank.
My lord, I am for respondent number 3 and 4 here, my lord. My lord,
3
they
and 4
suppress
are
the,
whom?
my lord. Here that one Murthy and another one that Patelappa. Respondent number
Subramanya.
3 and 4, my lord. I'm not Subramanya, my lord.
Then who is the bank appearing?
Bank, none appear.
Which bank is this?
Union Bank of India.
Union Bank of India, who appears?
Well, last time he represented, he insisted
Malad,
to produce the original sale deed.
May kindly go through that.
My
Malad,
client have brought the original sale deed.
May kindly go through that page number.
We are
40.
not here to decide both your private disputes. We are only concerned with the bank.
Yes,
Let bank come, Mr. Counsel, we will not hear you. Where is Union of India you take? The Mrs. Vignesh Shetty is directed to take notice on behalf of Union Bank of India. When comes for the petitioner, shall serve the copy of the writ petition on the counsel, and he shall get specific instruction in this regard. Please wait. Liz's matter on 25th of March, Mr. Vignesh Shetty. Now, according to them, A has sold the property to B in the year 2012. Then again, A mortgages the property in the year 2015 to the bank. They purchase the property in the year 2024. Basing on that mortgage, subsequent to the sale, bank is now asking on this surface proceedings are initiated. Whatever you want, you tell him, he'll get instructions.
Well,
This
interim
is
order
matter-
is there, Malad. Interim order is there, Malad.
Interim order earlier granted is extended. Get instructions on that day. Will not adjourn the matter. Yes, next.
Cell number 25, S. Rajshekar.
For R1, my lord, kindly pass over.
Pass over. Yes, next 26.
Cell number 26.
Lord, on last occasion, your lordships had directed the registrar judicial to ascertain why the order has not been passed.
It has come today. I think I've given it 2 days later, isn't it?
This is
before
last
that?
week, madam. This was last week.
Any report is there? This is judicial there to call for the report from the concern. Where is office entry? Bengaluru, dispatched on 16/3. Ask the registrar judicial what is happening. No,
Yes, madam.
this was dispatched on 16/3. How can they dispatch yesterday? Order was on 12/3. Ask them when was it sent? I think we'll be getting the report. I think it is lately dispatched from the court. So we'll have it, it's dispatched on 16. We'll have it on 24th.
Obliged.
List on 24th. And find out from the chamber what has happened.
Yes, sir. Cell number 27. 27, Yogesh G. Yogesh G.
Section 14 order is challenged. Annexure yes the order.
No representation for the petition. This is part of a discussion tomorrow. Yes, 28.
Cell number 28.
Lordships, I am for the petitioners.
Yes.
Yes, on the last occasion, Lordships, if you remember, the bank had come up with a circular of the RBI, which is at page number 151, running page number 151.
If you have 2 accounts, if one account is NPA, they can't regularize.
Yes, that is their contention. That is their contention. My submission is
So
that
it
in
is
the
their
very same.
contention or the RBI circular says?
No, that is right. That is right, Your Lordships. But kindly, in the very same circular, kindly go through this 2.2.5, Your Lordships, at page 151.
2.2.
Page 151, Your Lordships.
But I am relying 2.2.2.
So what is relying that also?
That I am.
Your circular even that also will bind
Please,
you.
my lord, please, my lord.
2.2.5.
Yes,
Page number?
2.2.5. So it reads.
Page number
as
9.
Lordships, credit facilities guaranteed by
Starts from
central
page number
or
8.
state government. May I read,
2.2.2
Your
is page
Lordship?
80.
Yeah, 2.2.5, Your Lordships, it says, the credit facilities backed by guarantee of the central government, though overdue, should not be treated as NPA. So now, Your Lordships, kindly come to page 75, which is the sanction letter of my MSME loan.
At what stage you have come before this court?
Now, Your Lordship, what has happened? There are 2 housing loans which is availed by the borrower in the year 2022. That is regular. So there is no irregularity in the said housing loans. after availing the housing loan, the very same borrower, as a proprietor of home manufacturing company, which is his proprietorship, he applies for a MSME loan under the MSME PMEGP scheme, which is sponsored by the central government. Now that
When was it
particular loan,
when was it declared NPA?
it is declared NPA on 2/11/24.
What did you do?
No, no, then, my lordship, my only prayer is, in case your lordships can kindly turn to this MSME loan sanction
No,
letter.
I know that. I'm asking you, what did you do when your account is declared as NPA?
No, they issued
without
me a
following
notice.
the-
They issued me a notice for which I have replied, stating that my housing loan accounts have been regular and they cannot link it with the MSME loan, which is collateral free. Now, just because the bank cannot recover the MSME loan for their own lapses. Now, I will bring to your lordships the lapses of the bank in this case. Now, what has happened, your
How
lordships,
this
on
matter pertains to housing loan or MSME loan?
No, my lord, there are two loans. Housing
No,
loan
it's
is standard.
because housing loan and
my
MSME.
No,
lordship,
only
yes,
housing,
if you can
only housing
permit.
loan we are given.
No,
Only
if you
housing
can
loan we are.
permit, I'll just put the facts before.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes,
I'm saying
yes,
something in
yes,
your favor.
yes.
No, MSME loan, the proceedings in respect of that altogether stands on a different foot.
Different foot.
Isn't it? You have to deal with it independently. No, like in any other, for example, two loans or like a normal loans or normal account, then it's a different account, different issue. It's the MSME account.
May I read,
This
my lord?
analogy might not apply to that.
No, no, may I read, my lord, RBI guidelines 222. My lord, page number 8, 2.2.2.2.
Yes,
222. In respect of the borrower having a treatment of NPS borrower-wise and not facility-wise. In respect of a borrower having more than one facility with a bank, it is not says, my lord, whether housing loan or MSME loan or in some guarantee scheme, etc.
In that case,
all the facilities granted.
we can't read it like that. I understood what is that you're submitting, but when your own circular says that you can't
At
declare
least
a
in respect
particular-
of, my lord, in respect of some government schemes.
No.
My lord, 2 point.
Even for MSME account also to
No,
treat it as an
MSME, I am
NPA.
not issued a note, my lord, my difficulty is this. When RBI given a, my lord, clear direction, saying that, my lord, it is facility wise, it is not, my lord, whether housing loan, which loan wise, but the word employed, my lord, borrower wise,
So
not.
your RBI guidelines, one guideline or one circular cannot be contrary to the other circular.
It is not so, my lord.
In respect of the MSME, you have given a particular circulars.
Allah.
So there should not be any conflict between the
I
two.
completely agree, my lord, I bow down. In fact, my lord, 2.2.5 also, my lord, will not come to the aid of, my lord, the petitioner. Reason is this. Here there is no, my lord, I'll just put it in this way. One loan is housing loan. The second loan is, my lord, MSME loan. Now I issued demand notice where, my lord, I have a security, my lord, in respect of that loan only I can issue it. My lord, in respect of MSME loan, my lord, there is no security. One account NPA, as per, my lord, 2.2.2, other account also, my lord, is going to be NPA because the borrower is similar, same. Therefore, my lord, left with no other option, I classified the account as NPA unless and until he, my lord, the MSME loan is getting, my lord, regularized. Then, my lord,
What can't be done directly, you will do it indirectly.
Yes, that is the.
You cannot,
we are following RBI guidelines.
you can't realize the loan amount from the MSME, that you will do it in a housing loan.
No, it's not so.
That is because there
I
is a
will clarify
collateral.
that. is a difficulty.
I may make only one
We'll
submission.
clarify that.
No,
That they can't do it.
That is a case, my lord, I'll file my statement of objections. My lord, have it, my lord, next week, any day.
No, your
Otherwise, my
lordships
lord, I will
kindly,
make
no, your lordships, interim order
Please
may be
come
passed till then.
physically. When there is an issue to be argued and you appear online, how is it? Now there is no connect between what
I'm
he's
sorry
saying
for
and
that,
what-
your lordships, I'll be physically present, that is not the issue. I'm only
Yes,
praying your
you
lordships.
file your objections. Then
May
counsel
make
for the
one
response.
submission. May
It's
make
an
one
interim
submission.
order, your lordship.
Their entire case is, they are given a reply to their 13.2,
No,
my 13.2.
no, in that case, may I just point out one thing?
Both of them can be present physically.
I may permit to, my lord, issue a reply, my lord, after, my lord, because 13.2 reply which
No,
is
your
not given.
lordships, there is, kindly if
my lord,
your
denied.
lordships permit,
Give a
may
reply to
make
their
one
13.2
submission.
This is
May
what
make one
happens.
submission. May make one submission, your lordship. In this, the housing loan has been regular.
I'll take up this matter tomorrow. Please come down and I'll hear
Can
you.
you have
in
it
person.
next week, your lordship? Next week, kindly, Friday or something.
Yes, let's just matter on 24th.
Grateful.
And by that time, if you want file any objections, file it.
I should.
The
My lord, I appear
respondent
for RBI.
bank shall file the objections, if any, by the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
Obliged.
Nagaraj Chetty.
Yes.
This is the case where, my lords, on the last date of hearing, I pointed out, my lords, I had filed writ petition before, my lords. My lords disposed of the writ petition, my lords, with the direction for me to, my lords, make a representation, a consolidated representation. That, my lords, copy came to be released on 13th January. Lords, I submitted obtained the copy on 14th January. I submitted my reply, 15th was holiday, 16th I could not, my lords, I submitted it on 17th. In the meantime, my lords, on 7th itself, my lords, even copy, before releasing of the copy, they have brought the property for auction.
No, but they were, if I remember what he said is, even before the copy is released, you have already submitted your.
No. No. I submitted only after the receipt of the copy on 17th.
Where
That
is
is
the
an
copy you
extra.
have about, take that, give him a copy. Take that. From 2012-2025 is the reply.
No, this is with regard to, my lords, the release of another property. This is not relating to
The release of land.
release of the land. Lords, I have about 5 to 6, I had, my lords, 5 to 6 loans with the bank.
To Maltos Agri Products, 5/11/2020 is.
Kindly see who was the petitioner in that writ petition.
Even 17(1) representation which he has filed has also been considered.
That is, my lords, obviously they will reject
number
when the
14
property was brought for auction on 7th.
No. Please come to the earlier order. Where is the order?
Earlier order, my lords, on the last date of hearing.
Where is that? You have
I have
passed
filed.
on.
I have passed over, my lords,
I
across
have
the.
filed along with my objections in page number 21. Along with my objections at page number
His
20.
order he has passed on.
May I pass on, my lords, for
No,
example?
it's there.
Yes, please. Kindly see, my lords, this order came to be passed on 17th December.
Order passed on
17th December.
1 minute. 17th
December.
December. Yes.
On 13th, my lords, scanning of this particular order was made. On 14th, it was made available.
13th of which?
13th of January.
Copy was made available?
14th, my lords. And I have submitted my representation on 17th January 26 at Annexure B.
Sale was?
Please, my lords.
Sale was on?
Sale was fixed on, my lords, 17/2/2026, but the sale 17/2/2026, sale notice was issued on 7/1.
On?
7/1. Now, the contention of the bank is that, my lords, before auctioning the property, we have considered your objection and rejected.
So why should you predetermine things?
It is not the case of predetermination.
Then? You are a party to the proceedings, you are appearing before the court. Court passed an order. Unless and until that exercise is completed, how can you issue a sale notice on 7th? Won't it amount to violation of the orders of the court?
Let's kindly see page number 11.
11 of what?
11 of my documents which you have seen. It was replied to him on 17th, and kindly see his representation at page number 14. What does he make the statement?
No, whatever it is, by 17 Jan, he gave a reply to you. You already issued a sale notice.
Yes.
What does exactly it means?
He doesn't give us an offer. If my lords were to kindly
No.
take page number 30.
No.
Kindly take page number 30, my lords.
Please come to the order. What did the order say?
So order says that to consider his representation.
No, why should you wait for the order copy? That I didn't understand.
He could have given a representation.
We only said giving liberty to the, I didn't fix any time frame. I didn't say from the date of receipt of the copy
No,
of
my
the
lords,
order.
when we approached the bank, my lords, then they said, my lords, let the copy come.
Plus, that is not the version, my lords. Let him file an affidavit to that
I'm ready,
effect.
my lords, to file an affidavit to that effect also. If the person
He
who
could have
approached
made
the
a
bank on
representation.
20th,
And
No, you have sent it by a registered post.
lords, on 20th, I had, by then, my
Why
lords,
can't you do it?
copy
when
did
the
not
order
receive,
is-
we have not received the copy, my lords.
No, you are
The
there in the
practical-
court. There is no
practical-
time frame, nothing disposed of.
The problem is, my lords, they have, kindly appreciate.
Under the impression that some timeline is prescribed
No, my
from the
lords.
date of
No,
receipt
my
of the
lords,
copy
no.
of the order.
My lords, kindly appreciate one aspect, my lords. After the disposal of
You
the,
can't wait from
kindly see, my
17th
lords.
of December
No.
to 17th
May,
of
may I
January.
request my lords to kindly see their compilation submitted today, my lords?
Yes.
What,
Kindly
all the
see,
records
one
are
nimsha.
produced.
Kindly see, my lords, so the first document itself.
Hmm.
Date, my lords, may kindly see. 20th.
2012.
If I could approach the bank on 20th, my lords, why I will not submit this, my lords, letter? This is precisely the reason is, my lords, so let the copy release, copy come, then we will consider.
If the bank had
And
considered
a
this,
person
my
who
lords,
approached the bank on
No,
20th,
no, we are not on this point.
yes,
Come to the merits of the matter.
please, my lords.
my lords, if a bank had considered this, my lords, he could have considered that also.
Sir, that is after the issuance of
No,
auction
no,
notice.
we'll see on the merits of the matter,
Yes.
how the sale is back.
Please. Now kindly see, my lords, sir, the auction notice at annexure A.
Yes.
Lords, sir, they say, my lords, so the outstanding amount is, my lords, sir, 1 crore, 2 lakhs.
Now, why did you not go before the DRT and you have come before the court?
Lords, sir, since this particular issue, technical issue was
Now
there.
that issue now I have
But
clarified.
sir, I may
know
be,
that this thing on
liberty may be reserved for me, my lords, so till then let them not, my lords, confirm, my lords, the sale. Because of this technical, my lords, the flaw.
We'll grant 4 weeks.
Yes, please.
The present writ petition is filed, seeking the following prayer. Then counsel for the petitioner submits that this court has disposed of the matter on 17 December 2025, permitting the petitioner to approach giving liberty to the petitioner to approach the bank, and the bank should consider the same in accordance with law. It is submitted that the order copy he has received on 14 Jan, and on 17 Jan, on 17 Jan, he has given the representation, which is rejected by the respondents. It is submitted that even prior to all this, even prior to his representation, on 7th Jan, they have issued the sale notification, and the auction was conducted on 17 to 2026. It is submitted that the predetermined to reject the representation. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner has argued on the merits of the matter also. As submitted on the merits of the matter. Then counsel appearing for the respondent, bank submits that they have considered the representation and
On
rejected the
21,
sale.
2020, on 21, 2026.
On 21, 2026, and the auction was conducted on 17 to 2026. There is no intention on the part of the respondents to violate the orders of the court. And there was no timeline fixed by the court in the order. The petitioner wantonly has not come before, has not given the representation till such time, having heard the counsels on either side, for the material on record. As far as this, the earlier order passed in WP number 35890 of 2025, and the contention that are raised on behalf of the petitioner. This court is not inclined to go into that aspect, as no timeline is fixed, and both the counsels are making statements that according to the petitioner, they've asked the petitioner to come back to represent after the order copy is received. The same was denied by the learned counsel for the respondents. In these circumstances, you are appearing for the auction
That's number
purchaser.
3.
Next, learned counsel appearing for the auction purchaser submitted that that because of this litigation, the auction is not confirmed.
I forfeited my amount, Your Lord. Actually, I have participated in the action, Your Lordship. 25% amount has been deposited.
The amount is deposited. Next part.
They forfeited the amount. Your
As far as this aspect is concerned, as there is no timeline, this issue, this court is not inclined to consider. However, coming to the merits of the matter, as a petition is questioning the sale that is conducted by the bank, he has an effective alternative remedy before the DRT. In that view of the matter, this court is passing the following order. The writ petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy before the DRT. The respondent shall not confirm the auction for a period of 4 weeks. 4 weeks. The petitioner shall also make the auction purchaser as a party to the.
I have already made.
Made.
I have made.
Accordingly disposed of.
Cell number 30, 31. Dinesh Kiran Shetty.
Pray for the petitioner in this matter.
Yes.
Lord, this is
For the respondent bank.
Yesterday's matter, my lords could kindly recollect. With regard to the pendency of the earlier writ petition, your lordships were pleased to direct the office to tag this matter along with the earlier writ
So
petition.
let's look at the second writ petition first.
Please, my
That is the old list one.
oldest
Which is
one
the
is
old one?
2667 of 2026.
No, this one is 870, give that.
Yes.
What is the petition? Let's,
My lord, in this writ petition, my lord, I have sought for several prayers. Primarily on the ground that, my lord, at that point of time, there was an,
no, WP number 2667 of
Please.
2026. Please come to the prayer in this.
my lord, in the prayer,
Page
my lord,
number?
page number 20, my lord, page 20, 20.
To quash the order issued with respondent number 2 rejecting the representation.
My lord, this is with regard to a regularization of the account. As per the directions of this honorable court, my lord, I was directed to give a representation based on, my lord, undertaking given by the bank. My lord, I go and give the representation. Before I could give the representation, my lord, they again bring the property for public auction. Again, I approached this honorable court.
So,
Yeah,
first writ petition is to reject, questioning a rejection of representation. for both-
representation as well as, my lord,
OTS.
my lord,
For OTS, you have come before the.
no regularization. My lord, what has happened is, that's the reason, my lord, I requested your lordships to
To
kindly
quash the, then you have questioned section 14 order.
section 14 order as well as, my lord, possession
Also, you have
notice.
questioned certain 13 4.
Yes, and also, my lord, I have sought for regularization on the ground that, my lord, it's an MSME. The loan account is
When
an,
the 13-2 notice is issued, where is your reply to the 13-2 notice?
my lord, 13-2 notice I have not replied. May I request your lordships to kindly first take page 44, my lord, annexure E.
One small, can I interrupt your lordship? Actually, what has happened in this case is.
Madam, let me
there are-
complete. If you are arguing on merit, let me complete.
No, no,
Just have something else to submit.
only to clarify the basic, for order in which the writ petitions have
I'll
been
do
gone,
that.
that is all
Instead
it
of you,
is.
I'll do
No,
that.
let us say.
Please. May I take your lordships to kindly annexure?
Let us, sir. Yes.
Writ petition 2667, 26622 of 24 was filed in the year 2024 itself. There are actually 4 writ petitions here on. 3 preceding writ petitions are already there, apart from this 8076.
There are another 2 writ petitions.
That is, 2 writ petitions are disposed of. In the light of that only, I just want to bring a brief facts to this court, honorable court. Then this was challenging the sale notice dated 18/9/2020.
Which one is writ petition number?
My lord, may I make
26622
one
of
submission?
24.
Before, my lord, because it is my writ petition. My lord, they want to interfere because, my lord, they want to suppress certain facts, which I'll bring to the notice.
No, I'll hear you. Let her give that, what is that? So it will
that's
be
the reason
helpful.
I'll give
It
the
will
list
be
of
help-
events.
It will be helpful for the court to understand
Please,
in a
please,
better manner. Yes.
266.
What is the first writ petition?
26622 of 24.
26622 of
24.
26.
24.
Filed questioning?
Challenging the sale notice dated 18/9/2024. In this, your lordship, this writ petition was disposed of on 5/3/2025, giving for 2 reasons, giving them a liberty to approach the bank, giving a representation. And the direction was given to the bank to consider their representation in this writ petition.
In accordance with law.
In accordance with law. Then they came up with they came to the bank with a representation to regularize the account. And the bank considered all the aspects and they found that the regularization could not be done, and hence it was intimated to them that it cannot be regularized.
That is questioned in this writ petition.
That was after this writ petition, they gave a representation. So for that, bank replied that they cannot regularize the account. And then after giving a reply, another sale notice was issued on 15/3/2025. 15/3/2025. For which they filed a writ petition.
When was the representation for regularization?
That is what they are suppressing.
I'm not suppressing anything.
That is what they are suppressing.
I am not suppressing anything. Let me just complete 1 second, your lordship. 9/333 of 20.
Sequence you are coming.
Sequence only.
So representation you said.
That exact date, I am not very well aware, but an
Was the
affidavit is
representation
filed,
given?
I'll tell you.
Please,
I'll come to that only.
1 second. Now, court has asked me to reply. Now, my lord, let
When
me.
was the representation?
Please,
No, it is for the understanding of the court, not for any arguments.
please,
for the
please,
sake-
but I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, they reject my
When is your representation?
representation is
pursuant to
dated
the order?
19/3/2000.
19/3/2025, you gave the
Yes.
representation. When was it rejected?
My lord, it was rejected after I filed a third writ petition.
That is what I.
Date of, you give the
Please,
order
please,
date.
I'll give. That is 23/2/2026. I'm sorry, my lord.
A representation that is given on 19/3/2025 is disposed of on 23/2/2026. Correct?
12/6/2025 it was rejected.
12/6/2025.
12/6/2025.
After 1.5 years almost.
Yes, and in the interim, my
Now
lord.
let her continue.
Please.
So on 15/3/2025, sale notice is questioned.
Again, another writ petition 9/333 of 25 was
1
filed.
minute, 9
333 of 25.
000 of 25 is
333, your lordship.
333.
333 of 25 was filed, challenging the sale notice dated 15/3/2025.
What happened to that?
There was an interim order to stay the sale.
Hmm.
And they complied with the interim order, and it was extended for a year almost. The case did not come up. And then when it came up, the court had asked the bank to file an affidavit why they cannot consider the representation given by the borrower. So to that extent, we have already filed an affidavit before in the writ petition 9/333 of 25. The authorized officer filed a writ petition, affidavit. So based on that affidavit, the court came to a conclusion that nothing survives in this writ petition.
So when is it disposed of?
It was disposed of on 20th of January 2026.
20th January
Hmm.
2026.
2026.
Passed by me.
No,
Yes.
Anna.
Disposed of,
Observing that nothing survives since the sale notice is already infructuous and the affidavit is also filed, and hence the representation cannot be considered, and hence
So
it
that's
is
only, nothing survives for consideration.
consideration. So
Then-
it was disposed of on 20th of January 2026. Then again, in the interim, they again come back with another writ petition, that is 26622 of 24.
266.
Of 24, which is now clubbed with the present writ petition.
It's not allowed.
Sorry. 2667 of 26, extremely sorry.
2667.
7 of 2026.
Yes,
That is
two-
clubbed with this writ petition.
2667 of 2024 is filed questioning the rejection of the representation dated 12/6. And
also challenging
section
the
14, 13, 4. All of them are questioned for the first time.
Not for the first time,
They are
again
also
for the second time. Though the bank had already filed an affidavit in the previous
No,
writ
in
petition.
other cases also the same.
Same, everything the same. And CMM order was first, for the challenge for the
No,
first
no,
time
we'll
in this
hear
writ
him.
petition.
Yes, you please.
Please, madam. Now, may I request your lordships to kindly, my lords are holding the second writ petition, 2667.
2667.
Please. May I request your lordships to kindly take annexure E, page 44. 44, my lord, double
Yes.
4. This is one of the credit facility which was given. Nature of limit, OD project specific, limit is 4 crore 50 lakhs. To execute subcontract improvement of Bangalore so and so. Rate of interest is so and so. Tenability, your lordships may kindly look into tenability. 16th October 2024. Now may I request your lordships to kindly look into the annexure E, dated is 17/4/2024. My lord, on 17/4/2024, they renew my OD account, which is tenable up to October 2024. Now may I request your lordships to kindly turn to annexure F at page 48. Immediately within 12 days, section 13.
I think I have asked you yesterday a question.
Yes.
Why are you coming before this court? All that, why
Yes,
shouldn't
that
you?
is the reason I'll
But all this, whatever it is, whatever.
Please,
the
I'll convince your
irregularity-
lordships. I will convince your lordships on that, because the various orders that are passed by this honorable court, my lords, your lordships may kindly appreciate, she read out the writ petition stating that nothing survives in the for consideration, that is dismissed. That is why she refers to the January 20th order passed by the coordinate bench of this
They
honorable court.
withdrew.
One second. My lord, in that, may I request your lordships to kindly look into that order, your lordships.
Understand the mind of the court, then unnecessarily what
My
happens
lords,
is.
for a moment.
Hear you even for 1 hour also.
My lord, I am not
my
requesting
view
your
is the
lordships to
same.
hear me for 1 hour. It's only 10
No.
minutes. It's a question of 10 minutes, if my lords could kindly bear. Because how bank has played with even.
Bank has played everything.
Yes, my lords, may for a moment,
Question it
my
before
lord,
the-
my lord, classification of the account as NPA itself is bad in law. That is my respectful submission.
That can, all these measures can be decided by the.
And the fact that, my lord, the petitioner is an MSME, The benefit,
That is also.
that cannot be, my lord, gone into by the.
Can be, it can be
And
gone
that
into.
apart, the rejection of OTS,
Can be gone
my lord,
into.
the rejection of regularization by the bank after the filing of the writ petition, during the pendency of the writ petition, this honorable court granted me liberty to challenge that order.
I'll ask them to file their issue. If you insist it, I am.
My lord,
I'm
may
not
I-
inclined.
may-
I'll ask them to file their objections and then I'll decide it. Right now, I'm not.
My lord, for
granting
that
any
reason,
of them.
may I request for 5 minutes, my lord, 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes,
Yes.
please. Now, my lords, may kindly appreciate 17/4/2024,
Yes,
my lord, they regularize my account in respect of one account.
yes.
Within 12 days, without even classifying the account as NPA, my lord, they issued 13 subsection 2 notice, annexure F, page 48 may kindly be looked into.
And what did you do is the question.
Yes, I'll explain, my lord. Your lordships may kindly turn to page 53.
When
my
is
lord.
the 13 to notice?
My lord, 13 notice is dated 29/4/2024.
When is your reply?
My lord, I have not given reply. The reason
You
is this.
cannot raise any of the grounds in the light of the Supreme Court judgment.
My lord, I'll come to that point. I'll come to that point. Page 53 may kindly be looked into, my lord. Page 53. Page 53. My lord, even the special project which was renewed and which was not classified as NPA was also included in that, along with the MSME account, which is contrary to the RBI guidelines.
Who will tell them?
My lords,
Who will tell them that?
my lord, they know that they have given the loan.
That's not the law.
My lords may kindly appreciate, with due respect to the Honorable Supreme Court's order, Supreme Court says that it is the duty of the borrower to inform the bank that it is an MSME. My lord, the loan itself is an MSME loan. Your lordships kindly turn to page 53.
What is the purpose of giving a 13 to notice to you?
My lord, it is a kind of
So
demand.
you will be just, the petitioner will be,
My lord,
very
I'll point out, your
casual
lordships,
and
your
come
lordships may
back
kindly
at,
bear with me for 5 minutes. That's the reason I requested your lordships may kindly see. After issuance of this notice, my lord, 13 to notice, my lord, I have deposited 1 crore 70 lakhs, which is indicated in annexure G, page 54. It is thereafter, my lord, possession notice was issued on 19/7/2024. And thereafter, my lord, I have immediately approached this honorable court. My lords may kindly now take into that writ petition, wherein I was directed to deposit 50 lakhs. But as a bona fide customer, my lord, I deposited 1 crore rupees. Court took consideration of my bona fideness and a order was passed. Your lordships may kindly now turn to, my lord, may I request your lordships to page 85, my lord, annexure N. For a moment, my lord. For a moment.
Please read.
Please. Page 87 is the relevant this thing. There they come and say that my request in that petition was to regularize the account. There they come and say that sale has not taken place. We are going to regularize their account. That is across the bar. They have given an undertaking before this honorable court. Page 87. May I request your lordships. Learned counsel appearing for the bank submits that the auction sale of the said property did not take place on the intended date and the petition is rendered infructuous. He would submit that if the representation is submitted to the bank to that effect, the same would be considered and the regularizing of the account of the petitioner would be taken up. They doesn't even say that, my lord.
Considered means it's not a positive order.
My lord, the further observation of this honorable court, the same would be considered and regularizing of the account of the petitioner would be taken up. That is their undertaking.
That is not a positive order. Consider means consider in according to the bank.
Consider the representation, and they said it is not the direction of the honorable court. Bank said we will regularize.
Yes.
May I request your lordships to kindly look into this order. 5th March 2025.
Yes.
They this honorable court passed an order with liberty to make an application. Now, my lords may kindly see during this period, during this time, without even waiting for the order copy. My lord, I have made an application on 19/3/2025. They doesn't consider it for 1.5 years. Thereafter, immediately, my lord, they bring the property for sale on 15th itself. Just, my lord, within 10 days from the date of order, they bring the property for public auction. My lord, again, I immediately approached this honorable court. My lord, before this honorable court directed me to deposit 1 crore rupees. I deposited it. Your lordships may kindly now turn to page, my lord, 100 may kindly.
Why this court is interfering with the sale notice?
My lords, I can understand, my lord, if
No,
it was.
I'm not saying about
My
the
lords may
petition.
kindly for a moment.
When the sale notice is issued.
My lord, it is not the consistent thing that, my lord, in some cases your lordships have granted some relief to the petitioners before the Honorable High Court. Yesterday also, my lords granted 6 months time to deposit.
Yes, but you are not on that point.
My lord, I am on that point only. That's the reason
You want them to regularize the account. Why will I direct them to regularize the account?
My lord, so far as regularization is concerned, my lord, it is the various orders of this honorable court. That is what I am trying to point out. My lord, the first order wherein I have deposited 1 crore, this honorable court granted opportunity to regularize the account. And thereafter, my lord, when they bring the property for public auction, without considering my representation, my lord, I again approached this honorable court. This honorable court, my lord, again directed me to deposit 1 crore. I deposited that. Once again, I was directed to deposit 1 crore. That is also complied with. My lord, again, what they did is they came and made a submission that sale has not taken place. This writ petition has become infructuous. It is where, my lord, this honorable court took serious note of that, the earlier orders, wherein, my lord, this honorable court said, no, they have deposited the amount as per the directions of this court. You were asked to regularize the account. Where is that? My lord, that's the reason, my lord, I am requesting your lordships to kindly, my lord, turn to page.
Both of us. The
My lord, page-
affidavit
Madam,
that we
please.
have filed in
Take
the
the-
previous writ petition.
Yes. Page number?
Page 99, my lord.
Yes.
Order dated 3/6/2025. 3/6/2025 at page 99. Your lordships got it? At serial number 17.
Yes.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner files a memo stating that 1 crore has been deposited and the account has now become regular. The prayer remains for regularization of the account. The court on 24/4/2025 has passed the following order. The interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing, subject to condition that the petitioner would deposit 1 more crore to the bank on or before 2/6/2025. List the matter on 3/6/2025. In the event the amount would not be deposited as indicated herein above, the petition would be dismissed, leaving the petitioner to avail remedies available under law. Subject to the aforesaid condition, interim order granted is extended till the next date of hearing. What remains now is the bank consideration for regularization of the account of the petitioner. Sri so and so learned bank seeks time to secure instruction and make a submission. Now your lordships may kindly turn to page 98. 98 order, my lord. Upon perusal of the court's previous orders and the affidavit shown in support of the application for vacating the interim order earlier, the second respondent secured creditor is reserved with liberty to place on record the reasons for secured creditor's opinion that the offer for regularization is not commercially viable. The interim order granted earlier is continued to be in force till the next date of hearing.
Now let's see the affidavit filed by them before the court.
They have not filed.
They have filed the affidavit, that's what they're saying.
Filed it before the honorable court in the previous writ.
Let them
petition.
produce it. My lord, that is the reason.
Give him a copy.
Acknowledgement is
And look
also
at
there
it,
on the
look
left.
at look at the file in this 9333 of 2025.
Yes. My lord, in 93.
That must be whether you have you have the stamp.
Seal ಇರೋದಿದ್ಯಾ?
No, my lord, it was produced in the open court and the same has been acknowledged by the council. The signature is also there.
Oh, let's read what is
The
it.
same submission was made in the previous court.
Now may I request your lordships?
25.
Give him a copy, let us read what is this affidavit.
933 of 25.
You said that my
This is
signature
not a
is there.
signature, it is filed on 3110. It is produced in the open court, it says filed on 3110/2025.
My lord, if it is filed, my lord, it should be in the court records.
Because that file is not here. Get that file. Get that 9333 of 2025 also.
Yes.
Registry is directed to place. 9333 of 2025. This is matter on 2nd April.
My lord, may I make one submission? Maybe shorter day because they have taken physical possession in spite of depositing the
Matter
amount.
on 27th.
May I make one submission, my lord? Earlier order, 50 lakhs I was directed to deposit. And on that ground that, my lord, I was hospitalized with a heart attack. My lord, I could not deposit that amount. That DD 50 crores, 50 lakhs DD is ready with me.
I will not pass any order on that. I will hear the matter and pass the order.
And it may be taken up on
27th.
24th, my lord, at least.
24th not possible. There are so many matters. 27th.
Please.
Already.
Serial number 32.
One more submission is, the authorized officer says, if he pays, the authorized officer says that if he pays 5 crores before this 30th of March, that is the financial year end, They are ready to give him some more time to repay the remaining amount. What is due as on date is 9.5 crores above. So at least 5 crores if he has deposited, then it will be, they can.
Communicate to
My lord,
the.
11
Communicated. He is
11
every
crores,
day in touch
11
with the
crores was the
authorized
demand. My lord, 11 crores
Your
was the
lordship.
demand. I have deposited 6 crores as on today. Still they say that, my lord, there is 11 crores outstanding.
Been
My lord,
made-
this is totally atrocious on their part. 11 crores, 6 crores I deposit. Still they say 11 crores is due.
When did you take 11 crores?
My lords,
When did you have to
my lord,
avail?
their statement I have placed on record.
Oh, when did you avail the
My lord,
loan?
it is an overdraft facility. From 40 years I am the customer. From 40 years, my lord, I have been giving business to the bank. Now, my lord, at this stage, they are harassing me like anything for this reason because, my lord, they are behind my properties.
Yes.
My lord, nowadays bank has come for real estate business. That is the main difficulty here. The managers are involved.
Yes.
My lord, they find out some prospective buyers for that and they sell it for throwaway prices. That is the main reason, my lord. Otherwise, whenever customer deposits so much of amount, as per the directions
Oh,
of
that's
the
what they're
honorable.
saying. If you pay 5 crores.
My lord, 5 crores, if at all, if I pay, my lord, that loan will be closed.
Please understand, Mr. Counsel, regularization according to them, it's not possible. Court will not direct the bank to regularize the account because they have to do it as per their business guidelines.
All right, if that is the case, my lord, let them give me 4 installment or 5 installment within a month. Every month I'll deposit. Your lordships may fix the dates.
What is that every month what you deposit?
My lord, in
To
5
regularize the account.
No, not regular. It will be closed. In 5 to 6 months, I will close the loan account.
That be your lordship. How can that be? 5 to
No,
6
he's ready
months?
to give it in
No,
a.
9.5 crores. Let him give that in the undertaking. Let
they
him
will
give
give-
and let
I
him
file
give an
an
affidavit.
I'll file an affidavit.
It
Let
is
the time-
submitted by the land council for the petitioner that is ready to pay
The entire dues.
entire due amount within 4 months.
5 months, ma'am.
No, we'll say 6 months when you're getting the
thing is,
within
this
6
is a
months.
financial year
Land
and,
council
your
for the within 6 months and the first installment by 30th of March. First installment by 30th of March.
That should be minimum
Within
4
6
crores.
months, you will pay the amount.
Saying minimum 4 crores.
That's her submission, I'll record
Yes.
later. Within 6 months, the petition is ready to pay the entire amount and the first installment is ready to pay by 30th of March. The petitioner shall file an undertaking before this court in that regard and accordingly court will pass orders. It will
Please,
come
ma'am.
upon 26.
Please.
Any other short date may be given, your lordship. Any short date may be given so that by 30th, if they have to pay, then they will also come to know.
24th.
Short date will be.
24th.
Please, oblige.
Or else we'll have it on 24th.
Please, oblige.
Much obliged.
Then number 32. Yes, Victor Manohar.
Mr. Counsel, this is what is the facility that's been given to the other petitioners. Court is always, court's view is always consistent.
My lords may kindly don't take me wrong because my difficulty is this because
No, you please understand. There is no different asterisks for different people.
I can
In this
understand, my lord.
court-
I have been appearing before this honorable court, and I'm very, your lordships are very considerate enough. But
No,
here
no,
are
but
the
the
certain.
thing is, my view is very simple. If you're ready to pay the amount,
Yes, my lord,
whatever time you want, reasonable time, if the bank accepts or not, I'm granting.
Definitely,
When we can't know this writ petitions of yours are going on from when? No, right from 2024, they are going
24,
on.
yes.
So it will go on for another years now. Your interest will be going on piling up and you will say,
can understand,
I've
my lord.
taken 11 lakhs, I've paid 6 lakhs, it is becoming 12 crores.
My lord,
and all.
annexure A to C are my work orders. My lord, I have been doing works of government agencies.
When you say your MSME account cannot be declared as an NPA, if this is a issue is decided at the earliest point of time, without agitating on all these issues, the litigation would come to an end. If the petitioner or anybody should be in the interest of deciding their dispute, not for litigating the matter.
My lord, definitely, we are also
So
coming
that's
forward
why
for that
if
reason only.
If the party is ready for settlement, court will always extend the.
Deeply
Yes.
obliged.
Yes.
Please.
But since it's a financial year end and it is a 2024 NPA, let them come out with some concrete proposals so that bank will
madam,
also
I'll-
be at ease. Your
First of all, without he coming about what is he going to do, don't anticipate anything. Yes. No, the
My lord,
problem
so
is
far as-
banks are happy to litigate the matter for 10 years, but not settlement in 6 months.
No, that is the reason I said, if he pays 5
Yes.
crores, then they are ready to
My lord,
give him
See,
some more time.
if a person is ready to pay 5 crores, why would a account become NPA within no time?
Because this account is NPA
Yes,
since
next.
2024
We'll see on that
April,
day.
your
We'll see on
lordship.
that day. Yes, next matter.
For petitioner, my lords.
My lord, I undertake to appear for the respondent bank. My lord, may kindly permit
yes,
me to
yes,
appear
yes.
online today.
This petition, my lords, I'm challenging the auction notice, my lords. And
Yes.
the claim, my lords, the second respondent has borrowed, my lords, PMSE from this PMEGP loan, my lords, in 2014.
So what's outstanding
I'm
as
the
on today?
guarantor. My lords, outstanding is 36,77,000.
As on 31, my lord, this is a DRT sale, my lord. This is not a surfacey sale. This is a DRT execution sale, which is scheduled tomorrow, but there are no bidders, my lord. Sought instructions from the bank that the bids were closed yesterday and there are no bidders, my lord. And this is a DRT sale in execution conducted by the recovery officer, not a surfacey sale. So already there is an only order against the petitioner. And my lord,
Yes, I'm ready to pay the money, my lords. Only thing I have approached the bank, my lords, but they are not giving me time to
What do you
make
say?
the payments,
My
my
lord,
lords.
this is an order. This is an order which is passed in 2019, my lord, OA order, and 36 lakhs as on 31/5/2025.
2019, 26, what best time you can get?
2019 OA, my lord.
It's an ex parte.
No, it's okay. There is an order staring at you. It's only an
It's an
execution
ex parte
proceedings.
order, my lords. I have not participated, and even
When did you question that order?
No, I'm not. Now only, my lords. Only now after this sale notice
When did you
came
come
me.
to know about this order?
This order, my lords, recently, my lords.
How
Lord, he
recent
can
it
approach
is?
Only when this auction notice was issued,
When
my
was
lords.
it, when was this order in his notice?
My lord,
Only it
proclamation
was-
sale was issued on 6th, my lord, on 6th of January 2026. In any case, my lord, he can challenge this proclamation before the DRT, my lord, because this is an order of the recovery officer. Under section 30, any order of the recovery officer can be challenged before the presiding officer. And my lord, the RC proceedings are going on. He can appear before the recovery officer and make any submission he wants. Lord, as of now, tomorrow, the sale is not going to go on because there are no bidders.
In
In any
your
order,
time,
the
no,
recovery officer, he can
the sale notice they have issued, they say that there are no bidders. Now the sale is not going to take place. And your remedy is to question that order. Without questioning that order, no court can grant any relief to you. The proclamation of sale, which was granted in the year 2023. And the
No,
subsequent
I've
proceedings, if any you are agreed by, I'll give you that liberty to approach.
Yes, ma'am.
Because nothing is going to happen tomorrow. I'll record a submission also that
Yes, ma'am.
the sale notice is issued tomorrow for want of bidders. As there are no bidders, they are not going to conduct the auction tomorrow.
Please, my lords.
The writ petition is filed, seeking the following prayer. Land counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the bank is going to conduct the auction tomorrow and the petition is ready to pay the entire amount. And there shall be the auction may be, that there may be stay on auction and some reasonable time may be granted. Land counsel appearing for the respondent bank submits that in the execution, the petitioner, in the execution process, when the sale proclamation was on 6th Jan 2023, that is not questioned by the petitioner till now. It is submitted that the remedy available to the petitioner is to approach the DRT under section
Under section 30, my lord. Under
30.
section 30 of the RDDB Act, my lord. Any order of the
Section
recovery
30 of
officer. Yes, ma'am.
Under the section 30 of the RDBA Act, it is submitted that it is an order passed by the recovery officer. Further, it is submitted that from 2019 till now, 19 till now, these proceedings are pending and the petitioner is not entitled for any relief from this court. It is submitted that though the auction is scheduled to be held tomorrow, no, as there were no bidders, the same is, and they have to, it is closed by yesterday. You're not audible.
Madam, you are not audible.
Not audible.
Today, 4 o'clock.
My lord, 16th, my lord, 16th. My lord, the on, no, my lord.
Yesterday, 16th, they have closed the
Yesterday,
online-
4 o'clock
online
till
thing.
today, 4 o'clock.
You know, we have can record our submissions on 16th evening. They have closed they've closed the same. In view of the same, the remedy available to the petitioner is to go before the DRT expert, having heard the concerns on either side. There is a material on record. What is questioned before this court is a auction sale, and according to the respondent bank, as there are no bidders, they are not going to conduct the auction tomorrow. Then coming
My
to
lord, the
the
auction will not
other.
materialize, my lord.
Huh?
Auction does not materialize, my lord, not conduct, because the.
Could not be, in these circumstances, auction could not be materialized. Now, the relief that is seeking, that is ready to pay the amount and all, this court cannot consider the same. As the order is passed for the recovery officer, he has a remedy under section 13 of the RDBA Act. Petitioner is at liberty to approach petitioner can approach the DRT in that view of the matter. The writ petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy before the DRT in accordance with law.
Grateful, my lord. I may be permitted to file wakalat, my lord. And
So and so, when the Divya Purandar submits that, she'll file wakalat within, that's in the order, within 1 week from the date, from today.
Lord, petitioner may be directed to serve a copy of the petition, my lord. My colleague is there.
You serve her the copy on the,
That's what I
your
know.
colleague is here.
Yes.
Copy.
Please.
Yes, next.
Cell number 33.
Appearing for petitioners in this, my lords, kindly pass over the arguing counsel.
Pass over. And Canara Bank, who appears?
Canara Bank.
Canara Bank, serve papers on them. They'll get instructions from itself. You serve. So and so, don't have to write any, you pass over. Yes.
Cell number 34.
All MFAs will come on Friday. I'll take up next Friday, all MFAs. That day, what you do is, MFAs on, next Friday is a holiday. It's not a holiday, it's a working day.
No, next Friday is not.
That
a
is
holiday.
after that. I mean, this, not 10/4. Have it on, we'll have it on 27th. 27th March, or on that day, this DRT list, make it second list. If I complete MFS, then only I'll take DRT. It's all these matters. Yes.
Cell number 39 for further hearing.
Serial number 35, serial number 35. Already there is an my lords, appeal which is disposed of in favor of the owner. Rashmi kindly dispose of in same terms, my lords, this 35.
We'll have it on that,
Please.
so that we can do all MFA work on one day. Yes, next.
Cell number 39.
Seniors on his legs in another
And
court,
I
my lord.
prefer
Could it be
respondent
passed to? Much obliged, madam.
Pass over. Yes, 40.
Cell number 40.
We seek for a passover in this matter, minutes.
Pass over.
Please.
41.
41. Cell number 41. Abhishek Marla.
My lords, kindly pass over. We engaged in senior.
In this, Madam, I have a submission. In this, I need to file statement objections
You
because
need to file.
2
The
weeks,
respondent shall file the objections
within 2 weeks.
by?
2 weeks, Madam. I'll
The
file.
respondent shall file his objections within 2 weeks. Let's this matter on 7th of April. Yes, next.
Number 41. 41.
This is what is called 41.
41.
41 is called, Madam.
Yes.
41, where I took time.
Yes.
42 disposed. 43.
Appearing for the petition in this case, my lord. Witness is passed away.
Who is the respondent by?
Authorized officer, my lord. Authorized officer.
Union City Union Bank. You appear for Mr. Vignesh Shetty in the order. Mr. Vignesh Shetty is directed to take notice. Will because the petition is no more. I'll record that all proceedings will go. Then counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that. The petitioner is no. There are so many others.
Venkatesh, my lord.
3 petitions.
It's a company. There are other, there are 2-3 petitioners. How does it matter? Please get instructions. Give them a set of papers. So and so is directed to Ms. Vignesh Shetty is directed to take notice on behalf of the respondents. It is submitted that it's not a petition, it is a company. Who died?
My lord.
The proprietor died.
Yes, my lord.
Without instructions, you can't say like somebody died. There are about 4 petitioners in that.
Okay, my lord.
At the request of land counsel for the respondent, paper shall be served and the respondent shall get specific instructions. List this matter on 6th of April. Yes, by the time get clear instructions, who expired? Is 44?
Appearing for respondent.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. This matter tomorrow for
Well,
dismissal.
Lordship, past 2 times also petition is not appear, my Lordship. This third time also, my Lordship.
This matter tomorrow for dismissal.
Cell number 45, Syed Akbar Pasha.
In this case, my lord, advocate on record, mother expired yesterday, my lord.
It is submitted that the petitioner has some, counsel to the petitioner has some personal inconvenience. This matter on 15th of April.
Number 46,
Yes, 46?
I represent respondent bank, my lord.
Yes. You that?
Writ is not maintainable. It's a Karnataka bank, my lord.
The no representation on behalf of the petitioner. This matter for dismissal tomorrow.
cell number 47,
Yes, next.
47,
No representation for dismissal tomorrow. Is 48.
48, Rammurthy BB.
Same order.
Cell number 49, 50 adjourned, cell number 51. 51.
51, I appear for the petitioner, my lord.
Who appears for respondent?
The respondent has informed me that even he is busy in the Gulbarga matter. Therefore, on 25th, your lordship may take up the matter, my lord. Pardon.
File the vacate.
My lord, it is
Interim
the
order.
respondent. The state is not a contesting respondent. The work board is the respondent. They have to file objections and they have filed the vacating applications.
At the request of non-counsel, the petitioner. This matter on, this matter in the month of, on June 2nd. Interim order earlier granted is extended. Yes.
Much.
Cell number 52. Cell number 50.
I think it is, it's adjourned.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, keep that. Where is Mr. Lokesh? No representation on behalf of both the parties. This matter for dismissal tomorrow. Yes, 53.
53,
Yes, Mr. Vignesh.
In fact, interlocutory application filed before the DRT, my lord, assailed before this honorable court. In fact, my lord, original application itself allowed now. Now, therefore, my
None
lord,
appears for the petitioner. This is matter for dismissal tomorrow. Let counsel the respondent submits that against the interlocutory application, interlocutory order. This writ petition is filed and the main essay itself is dismissed.
OA, my lord,
OA itself
allowed
is
on, my lord, 20th 12 2024.
20th,
12 2024.
yes, next.
cell number 54.
Tomorrow dismissal. Yes, 54.
Appearing
for petitioner. Yes, Mr. Vignesh, what is this writ petition?
Because we have challenged e-auction.
Not able to track
No,
so
no,
many
DRT
matters.
passed an order. That order, my lord, assailed before the sale conducted, sale certificate issued. That, my lord, they assailed before the DRT under section 17. Section 17, my lord, concluded and passed an order in favor of the bank, where, my lord, all the measures, my lord, conducted by the bank, my lord, affirmed. That, my lord, order assailed.
No
They-
interim order here.
No interim order.
This
They
is
would have gone
matter on 3rd of June.
Great.
Yes. At the request of non-counsel the petitioner. Yes, 55.
Cell number 55.
But I am appearing to the respondent, my lord.
Lord, defendant number 3, my lord, was placed ex parte during the COVID, my lord. His advocate had not appeared and he was purportedly placed ex parte and application was filed. My lord, to
To set
recall.
aside that order.
Yes, my lord.
That's dismissed.
That is dismissed, my lord.
Yes, what do you say?
I have produced the order of the Supreme Court.
Well, give them an opportunity to contest.
I'll leave it to your lord. Delay was too huge, my lord. That is the reason it has been dismissed.
What is that?
The delay.
How much?
Delay in filing the application. It
much
was
delay?
618 days.
Now, it is, now there is a stay in this. There's a stay by this court.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
That's what I'm saying. 600 now has become how many hundreds?
Another 2 years.
That's what. Why was the delay of 600?
My lord, the earlier advocate, my lord, we
Let
had.
us see your IA that's filed before. the
Yes,
court.
yes. My lord. In fact, my lord, the.
No, we'll see your
Yes,
IA.
yes, 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 yes.
Page
Lord, the
number?
application, my lord, annexure B,
Yes, at page 42.
page
Come to
40,
that.
yes, my lord, page 42.
Defendant number 3 is you're the borrower.
No, I am not the borrower. I am the owner of the property. Defendant number 4 is the developer. Defendant number 1 and 2, my lord, are the home buyers who took a loan from the bank. So they defaulted, my lord, and therefore, my lord, I have also been made as a party, my lord, for recovery of that home loan.
No notice to you.
No notice, I am not a party to.
Let's see
Yes.
paragraph number 2.
Yes, Lord. I stated above matter was listed on 2/11/20 for appearance of different number 3. Different number 3 is the owner of the land on which different number 4 has developed the residential project. The 1 and 2 are the borrowers of the home loan from the applicant bank and are said to have allegedly defaulted in repayment of the home loan. I submit on 2/11/20, we had instructed our counsel to appear on our behalf. However, later we came to know that our counsel had not appeared on 2/11/20 as he was unwell. Thereafter, due to lockdown declared by the state government owing to the pandemic COVID-19, we could not immediately follow up the case, and later having come to know about the fact of having been placed ex parte, we entrusted the wakalat to our present advocate who has appeared on our behalf by filing wakalat on 3/9/21. I further submit that the non-appearance on 2/11/20 and on subsequent dates is not for the bona fide reasons stated above and not intentional.
Where is the order now?
The order, my lord, is at annexure G, my lord, page 67. The reasoning, my lord, is at page 73.
It's 67.
Yes, no. The relevant portion, my lord, page 73, paragraph number 16. In fact, D4's written statement is taken on record, my lord.
Is apt to mention that. Is it the para?
Yes, yes, my lord, paragraph. It is apt to mention at this point that D3 has come forward to contest the matter at a belated stage without any reasonable and justifiable grounds, without filing any delay application, filed written statement with a delay of 618 days, only with an intention to frustrate the proceedings. The defendant number 3 is taking the shelter under the suo motu WP so and so with delay of 618 days is not appropriate. That, my lord, is the judgment of the Supreme Court, where, my lord, all the time limit was extended for COVID period. The only reason for
When
delay
we
is...
allowed this application, everything would have been settled by this time. Yes, please come. Agreed with the orders passed in I number, the writ petition is filed with the following prayer. The bank has filed OA number 995/2019 before the DRT, where the petition is arrayed as respondent number?
Defendant number 3 minutes.
3 or 2?
Yeah, defendant number 3.
Defendant number 3. The defendant number 3 was set ex parte on.
No, there is no specific order, my lord. On 2/11/20, my lord, my absence is noted. That is all. There is
It
no.
is submitted that on 2/11/2020.
2020.
And the petitioner's absence was recorded, and thereafter the court went on with the hearing. The DRT went on with the hearing, and the petitioner has filed an IA, that's IA number 2029 of 2021, to condone the delay of
618 days.
618 days, and to set aside and to permit the petitioner to contest the matter. That came to be dismissed by order impugned. When counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that they have engaged the advocate and but the advocate failed to appear on a particular day. And further, in the light of the SOP by the High Court with regard
Lord,
during the
one
COVID,
submission, my lord, during whatever the time they're contending, 2/11/2020, there
face
was
of it,
no.
no. On the face of it, there is nothing if you have to meticulously consider. What I'm considering is for 3 years you have lost it. For what purpose? Now, if you give them permission to contest the matter, that's where it starts.
Lord,
That's
the
only
common
reason.
written statement is filed by D3
But
and
the
4.
problem is, if you're asking for a condonation of delay, and that to 600 days, there should be some mention about, so when you came to know, what is the SOP, what is the order, nothing. We just filed an application. If it has to be considered in its, on the letter and spirit of it, you are not entitled for any order. That's what I'll record that though the court was right in passing an order, but still giving an opportunity to the parties and to bring a quietus. What did you write? It's a submission. SOP. The court ought to have condoned the delay and ought to have given an opportunity to the petitioner to contest the matter. Next one. When counsel appearing for the respondent bank submits that. Petitioner having filed wakalat and having known about the fact that the matter is pending for consideration from a long time, has failed to appear before the court. And when he has filed the IA doesn't disclose the valid reasons for his non-appearance before the court. Simply he refers that the counsel has not appeared, and after some time he came to know, and he has come up with this application with these kind of reasons a delay of 600 and odd days cannot be condoned, and the court had rightly dismissed the IA filed by the petitioner. Next, having heard the counsels on either side, there is the material on the court. A coordinate bench of this court had passed an order on 4/12/2023, whereby and granted stay. By virtue of the stay granted by the coordinate bench of this court in the year 2023, the OA that's filed by the bank is pending consideration. This court has perused the IA that is filed by the petitioner and also the order passed by the tribunal. No doubt, the application that is filed by the petitioner does not contain the proper reasons to condone the inordinate delay. However, considering the fact that it was a peak COVID-19 time, and further, the proceedings are stalled from the last 3 years, and to put a quietus to the litigation, and also if the petition is given an opportunity, it would go to a logical end. In that view of the matter, this court is passing the following order. The order dated passed in so and so is set aside. He has filed the written statement.
Yes, madam. Defendant number 3 and 4, common written.
The written statement is already filed. The OA shall be disposed of within a period of, how much time it takes generally?
Lord, again now, like they should be given an opportunity for the evidence,
That's what,
all such things will be
6
there.
months?
6 months?
They have to commence their evidence.
6 months?
Yes.
Within 6 months, considering the fact that it is a long pending OA in the light of the stay granted by the court. The RT is requested to to dispose of the pending OA as expeditiously as possible, but not later than 6 months.
Obliged.
Number 56. 56. Nothing less.
Respondent, kindly pass the question.
Where is the petitioner?
Bandile is not coming.
No representation for the petitioner. This
Kindly
is
pass the
not-
question.
No purpose would be served by passing over the matter. List this matter tomorrow for dismissal.